Hello and welcome back once again, my friends, pioneers, werewolves, divergence and glitches, to another episode of the Daily Candle Close News, sending you all much love and high vibrations out to wherever it is you may be today on this beautiful Noonday Monday. Can I get a hello, pioneers? Let's talk about this, because you see Bitcoin on its way possibly to a new all-time high and possibly 74K. So hope you're all doing well. I hope your face melting portfolios are treating you absolutely well. It does seem like we're going to be reaching those new all-time highs very soon. The worldwide everything crypto bubble is melting faces, and it might get it even hotter heading forward. So let's check out the charts and talk about cryptocurrency and the markets tonight in this crypto after dark. But first, you know what it is, pioneers. The keys to success. This money, this $100 bill that y'all want to talk about. Sometimes success, wealth, being rich, succeeding is merely letting go when others will hang on. Can I get a hello? Not doing anything crazy though. Don't become insane. Don't sell it all. Don't do anything out of the ordinary against your thesis that you built. You know, we've got to be able to see over the mountain, to be able to move that mountain with the faith of a mustard seed, pioneers. I tell you this, pioneers, this famous quote that Thomas Edison once even said: many of life's failures are people that did not realize how close they were to succeeding. Ooh, can I get a hello? They were so close to becoming pioneers before they gave up. How close they were to the finish line when they turned their back on their dreams, when they said it wasn't worth it. I'm not gonna do that, pioneers. My pioneers ain't gonna do that. Let's go. It's truly a interesting, fascinating thing to comprehend. Success is seeing what others can't, believing when others don't, having faith in thyself when others don't. Those visions, those dreams of mine, people have questioned me lately with my trading ability, saying things like my trades may be scammy. Pioneers, I'm out here just like you, just like everybody else in the world, giving it my all, day in and day out, 18, 20 hours, 24 hours a day, sometimes 48, 72 hours straight. I do 10-hour live streams, 5 hours twice a week, giving bullish bangers. Gave this bull pennant breakout in the Discord to my pioneers. Risk to reward ratio set. Possible 2% loss for a possible upwards of 22 to 27% gain if we hit the 74 to 79K that the measured move gives us. This is what the charts tell us. I'm just showing you what they show, what I see. Pioneers, with this vision of mine on my way to creating financial stability for my family. And they question my authority, my audacity to come out here and put my livelihood on the line. Pioneers, I'm here to climb so I can shine. I say this day in and day out. I put in the work so I can get the results of sharing upwards of a live trade with you all. The same results you could have upwards of $80 after taking multiple profits all day. 316%. Shout out to John 3:16. Shout out to March 16th coming up. Pioneers, I do the same thing that everybody else is doing, but I'm out here giving you the truth, my truth, You take with it what you do with it. Take what resonates with you, the feelings that manifest within you, and then act accordingly. I don't give financial advice. I don't give advice at all. I'm documenting my journey for my son to watch, for my children. All my crypto, all my investments are for them. My profits go into spot holdings. I'll de-risk them. I'll hold cash, USDT, USDC. I'll reinvest over time. When I'm gone, it'll get well to them. I still work 40 to 50 hours a week, plus build multiple videos, course materials, hold multiple live Zoom meetings a week. I'm writing 4 books. I put out trade setups that are bangers. Don't question my authority, my audacity. It's something I'm trying to turn into my livelihood. When I'm putting it all on the line in front of you. When I share my losses with my Discord and pioneers as well. All you gotta do is take a courageous leap of faith. You ain't watched my Leap Day video? When we talked about the 64K we were seeing on Leap Day, and why we saw it heading upwards of 74K, I showed you this then, pioneers, live in a video. So those pictures in my head, those visions in my mind, they weren't just make-believe. I found the courage to make them, manifest them into reality for all of us. Bring them to life, let's go. One of the hardest ones in the game right now today, because I put the challenge on my shoulder pads. I put it on my back and I carry it. And I grow with growth and development every single day. I feel that progression every single day. That motivation, that momentum, that dedication, that determination, because it's exciting. So yeah, I might speak stern and affirmative, but it comes from passion, love, abundance, and gratitude. So there are times where we may get knocked down, or there may be times in life coming up where we get knocked down, and nobody sees it. It ain't cause you're gonna lose, pioneers. What's coming isn't your failure. I promise you that. It's an opportunity. Just like this was. Back when we were buying 15, 16K Bitcoin, and now we're de-risking. Done hit another 3 de-risking targets that go back to last year's calls. Live in videos, you can go back and do your own due diligence. There's only 300 fucking videos. It goes where you want it to go. It stops when you want it to stop, pioneers. The only way, pioneers, to fail is to fucking quit. And I ain't never gonna quit on my pioneers, on myself, on my family, on my vision, my dreams. No one ever stops because they can't do something. They stop, or they fail, or they quit because they decide to. They see that huge mountain, and it's impossible. We can't get to those prices. But you can move that mountain with the faith of a fucking mustard seed. It's only fucking rocks. Don't stop because you're discomfort. Don't stop because you're pain. Don't stop because the finish line is way yonder. It just takes a few steps to get there, pioneers. 1 step forward, not 2 steps back. I've been there, rock bottom, struggling, battling suicide in prison. I've battled everything you can throw at me, and it's taken me years to figure out where I'm at today. On my way to success, financial freedom, financial security, because financial freedom is a lie. I've invested in myself, in my pioneers and my followers. This ain't about me. I'm not here to shine alone. I'm here to climb to this top and bring you with me. I've been lost and unsure. I've been broken and confused as well. I'm wrong sometimes. I've had to look myself in the mirror day in and day out and start with anthems like Michael Jackson, Man in the Mirror, Sam Cooke, A Change Gon' Come, every single day. Don't question me. I picked myself up off the floor. Been beat down, literally, physically. I beat myself down mentally. So whether life has lifted me up or it's beat me down, my plan for tomorrow has always been to climb and shine, to bring you with me. Get up, grind, 4th quarter overtime, never surrender, never retreat, get up and keep going. And as I sat down this morning, I had my pen and my piece of paper and I wrote these notes. And I've kind of freehanded by now. I said, what's the one thing I'd want to be told if I was a pioneer in the Pioneer Academy and University at the Daily Candle Close News? What's the one thing I would want to hear the most? It's to never surrender, never retreat, fourth quarter overtime, let's shine, so let's grind. You gotta grind to shine, you gotta grind to climb, pioneers. You gotta climb to shine. One day, it will all make sense. This is 10,000 plus hours. Working on 100,000 plus hours one day. We're getting close. 10 plus years in this crafting skill. When most would have stopped, I've never thought about it. On those days, those voices in my head, those haters and naysayers, the opposition against me, the trials and obstacles in front of me, I never surrender. There's nothing more powerful than a soul that refuses to back down. It's not that you have a soul, it's that you are a soul. I'm trying to ascend, pioneers. Join us at the Daily Candle Close News. You'll see what we're talking about. My progression, your progression is everything to me. I live as the seed, pioneers. My perception is everything. My third eye, my two eyes are closed because they are liars. The two thieves on the hill of Golgotha. On Skull Hill, pioneers. So even if it's a spark that you got from this message, take it and let it allow you to shine tonight, today. Every instant of discomfort, every pain, every trial and tribulation, hater and naysayer you face, every moment of fear coming up that teaches you to be a little braver, to dig a little deeper. Every broken heart opens the door to a new connection. I'm telling you, pioneers, I've been there. Instead of doubting yourself, though, feeling inadequate in your darkest moments in life, know that you need what it is you are going through right now today. The pain from the suffering and the questioning of my charting ability and my trade setups, of my hard work. Oh well, keep doing you. I'm gonna keep doing me. I'm gonna be me. I ain't gonna change. I'm not gonna let somebody else measure my success with their ruler and stick. I stand on every experience I'm going through in life. Good, bad, I let it elevate me. I'm telling you, to a better today, a more beautiful tomorrow. I told you, pioneers, there's levels to this. And I'm here to climb and shine. I'm here to bring you with me. Let's check out the chat, make sure we're doing well. Sending you all much love, let's go. Come on, preach. Said, Callus? Too terribly sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Boss is loaded, bottom of the ninth. Base is loaded, bottom of the ninth, let's go. Hey, we about to knock a grand slam out the park tonight, pioneers. Can I get a hello? Feeling so fresh and so clean. Got that three-piece on, got my blazer right behind me. It got too high, I had to take it off. But listen, pioneers, I dress good because it makes me feel good. I got over a $30,000 wardrobe, okay? You'd be amazed what you can find for cheap prices in thrift stores. You know, a lot of older women will pass down a gentleman's clothes after he passes away, and man, I'm talking about that Christian Dior suit and tie in there, the $7,000 suit for $14. Come on now, you can't ever beat that. You can't beat it. But anyways, I'll behave, man, just playing. Rise and grind, rise and shine, pioneers. Grand rising in this evening, a cryptocurrency after dark special. Modern Sports says, hey, Coach Abe is on fire. Let's go to the upside. Hey, man, I hope to be on fire upwards of 10% on the bullish bull pennant call we called on the 2-hour time frame for Bitcoin. I know we're looking at it on the 7-minute, but this was a 2-hour play that I was looking at, that I gave you all, that could take us upwards of, well, possibly that 96K we were talking about in our last group meeting, TradeAholics and Fibonomics, trading course, group, and class that we offer here at the Pioneer Academy and University. So anyway, we were talking about this upwards of possibly $96,000 if we were to see this everything crypto bubble continue to rip to the upside. Okay, grand slam out the fucking park. to the upside, like we've been talking about since December. The multiple ultimate bull trap is coming. Okay, so it's just, when is it going to come in? We've talked about this, but this 96 is the mirror of the 69K we saw for Bitcoin back in 2021. And when we decode today and why we're seeing this price action, pioneers, did you know? Did you know why we're seeing it? Maybe it's because it's the 64th day of the year. That could have a lot to do with it. But it's tied to the upcoming birthday of the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, with it being 33 days away. That 33, that powerful master number of manifestation of the pineal gland of the 33rd vertebrae, okay, of the transmutaic number, okay. But anyway, from 69 to 96 possibly, tying it into the 96th day of the year, Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday in 33 days. So again, this 64, we're coming out of the 57th, 58th, 59th day of the year when I was giving you this breakout in the Discord, okay, because we hit 57K on the 57th day of the year, hit 59K on the 59th day of the year, okay, so we was like bull pennant breakout upside, bam, banger. Okay, and here we are today, 64K. We hit a 64K on Leap Day. We broke this down in our Leap Day video, and we're on the 64th day of the year. So again, numbers holding true. 64 is the mirror of 46, and 46 is important this year because I've been teaching you to watch out for, well, Mr. 46 and the 46th president, okay, as above, so below this year. So anyways, this March 4th date giving us that 47, tying us into the upcoming 47th president, that 96, the possible 96K. Anyway, that 33, the 33 days it's until Satoshi Nakamoto's upcoming birthday. Do you get what I'm laying down, pioneers? Do you see what I'm putting down, Captain? You don't mind if I call you Captain, do you, Sergeants? Okay. But anyways, March 4th, when written like this, it is giving us that 75, and that's right in between the 74, 76K breakout target to the upside I've been giving y'all since my last blog. Well, two of my last blogs have been bangers. Upwards of 74K since we last wrote the blog decoding this, so we can check that out if you would like. Bitcoin to 74K 33 decoded. So anyways, so let's break it down. 74K tied to Lucifer 74, the measuring move that could take us up to 74, 76K, a bull pennant breakout, and I mean, we're on our way. Banger, banger, banger. I don't know why people question it, pioneers. It's right there. I just read the charts. I show you what they're giving me. Alright, I may talk not as professional as anybody else. I may make mistakes and say we're bullish in a bearish time period or something like that because, hey, I've been shy my whole life. Not really shy, it's just I'd rather stay to my fucking self. Okay, so when I hit the record button and I got the video on and I'm putting my fucking livelihood out there and everything for the world to see, yeah, I might make mistakes, but at least I don't hide them, pioneers, like some people in the world. Okay, and I'm not calling anybody out, but at least my videos, you can see all my mistakes and they're documented so you, I, and everyone else can learn from. So anyway, we ain't been wrong since like December, okay? Since Ask Modern Sword, August 18th, 2021, we've been pretty fucking spot on. So, you know, you just got to give our work more than 5 minutes, viewing. You got to get through the mistakes, the periods where I'm wrong. Because, hey, man, ain't everybody perfect. I don't claim to be. So, again, I'm up here bringing the fucking spice. Because, hey, don't question me, bro. None of you in the world, sis, ma'am, dear. You know what I'm saying? Fuck up my face, miss me with it. I'm here to help everybody get this moolah, this squat. You see that? Fuck up my face, man. You see this? You see this? Fuck up my face, man. I throw money away. Fuck y'all talking about? Been doing this shit my whole goddamn life. So anyway, man, Coach coming with a fire, man. Anybody got any cryptos they want to look out tonight? Tell us about XRP, please. XRP, please. I got you. Banger. So anyway. Jazzy, get off my headphones. Sorry. You know, my cat, she's crazy sometimes. But anyway. Alright. Let's check out XRP, you guys. It is crypto after dark. Hey, and guess what? I'm the only crypto YouTuber that is gonna sit here and do your crypto calls, do TA on your cryptos without asking for a fucking Snapchat. Alright? All these crypto YouTubers out here wanting Snapchats. And not Snapchats, I'm sorry. Goddamn, whatever. Y'all know super chats, man. Whatever they call, bro. Have I ever asked for a super chat from one of y'all? Shout out to Spirit of Simeon, who gave me my first ever Cash App super chat. Much love. So anyway, and I ain't asked for it. He did it. It's right there, man. What's real recognized real, man. What's understood ain't meant to be explained. I've told y'all this. Alright, so XRP, crypto after dark, upwards of 65 cents. Okay? So again, let's go to daily time frame. Let's get it where we can see. Alright, man. This is where I've been thinking we were going. Upwards of $1.05. So that's the 702 golden fib from high to low right here. We can actually move this now, and since we had a lower low come in since I drew this, obviously, and we can see that it's bringing us down to around 109. Okay, that 109 is highly tied to the Great American Eclipse, and this is the X year in the 2024, the X eclipse. Okay, that will create an X over America. So let's remember that. But the Great American Eclipse, 109. So tying us into XRP right here, that 134. Okay, so again, Ripple XRP Ripple, that 109, that 134. Okay, that 46. Look, we've been long since 46, pioneers. Alright, it's not on my Mexi account, it's in Bitru. Okay, but we've been long since 46 cents, since 44 when we got another buying opportunity there. Okay, I think we're getting ready to go to 79 cents, 76, 72 cents for XRP. Okay, so let's remember that. Let's get rid of this nonsense. Let's just slide it down. Whoopsie. But anyway, alright. Man, not that. Alright, if we can get to that 0.702, we've got a good chance, because, well, it's very little trading ranges that we can go to $1.96, upwards of $1.96 in this 1618 golden ratio at $2.13. Okay, if we're going to continue to see this everything bubble continue to rise, we got a falling wedge breakout towards the upsides. We're almost towards the measured move right here. Okay, it's not that big a one, it's not really grandiose. Okay, but it can turn into B. Alright, so I mean, we're looking at finishing going up to 70 cents right here, retesting this previous high. What has the market been doing? Absorbing shorts right now. I told you guys, we were shaking out weak hands. Alright, is what I've been teaching my pioneers in the TradeAholics and Fibonomics group over the last several weeks. We were shaking out weak hands, heading into a Super Bowl February rally that we showed goes back 15 years in data. Okay? Question me? I don't know why. Alright. Boom, banger, upwards. Alright. So, bam. We're gonna come up here, possibly double top. This is gonna give you an M pattern, pioneers, but we've been shooting, rising in an upwards rising wedge that we invalidate because we just keep climbing. Okay? So, I don't know, man. Maybe XRP doesn't do it because it's just, 7 years in the making since a new all-time high, but I do argue that this is the time. 2024 is our year. Falling wedge breakout, back test, banger, 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 70 cents, upwards of the 76 cent, where Bitcoin is showing a upwards of $76,000 measured move. It's all in the numbers. It's all tied to, again, skull and bones, before we could possibly start to see some shakeout in the market again. 66,000 is what I was talking about with Yehuda in our last Friday night meeting. Skull and bones, 76. Could see a 76 cent Bitcoin, a $76,000 Bitcoin, all tied to skull and bones. Could get some negative price action right there. Okay, we'll see. But 76 cents for Ripple XRP is, well, the launch pad theory. Okay, 76, 86. We can clear these ranges up to $1.109, upwards of $123. $123. I'm sorry, $1.23, pioneers. That's what we could be seeing. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. The 76, 86 cent connection. The 134 tied to the 109 connection to the Great American Eclipse and the X year coming up. You didn't know you was going to get an XRP code, did you? Well, guess what, pioneers? You have a what day coming up? Huh? What? A 76th day of the year coming up on 3/16, March 16th, right after Pi, right after the Ides of March. Okay, so that is 21 days to the Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday, but it is to the upcoming eclipse 24 days. Oh, tied to XRP, tied to that 33 again, that we were getting in today's decode, correct? So, I'm just saying, pioneers, I'm looking at the 76th day of the year in 3/16, John 3:16. Shout out to March 3/16, okay? Or the 1/16, because March is truly the first month of the year, okay? So, bam, banger. So I'm going to check the chat. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Alright, now we can talk about levels to the downside. I'm not done with the XRP decode and XRP TA. This is off the dome, pioneers. There's no telling what else we can find. Modern Sword says XCN, please. Yeah, we can go over it for free, my guy. Yeah, okay. The Crypto Ronin experience, my guy. Bird Dog the Crypto Ronin. Peace, love, and gratitude. Real ones only, always. Yes, sir, always. Love to have you here, my guy. Would love to be back on the show sometime. I will have to reschedule my Friday night TradeAholics and Fibonomics group and course. I might have to do like a Saturday morning around the world special where I can include other people from around the world, American hours during the daytime. I know some people in America may be working, may be unfortunate that they can't make it. But I may have to reschedule that. If you'd like to get me back on sometime, brother, I would love to be back on there. So, been thinking about you guys a lot. So, just been doing my own thing, man. I hope you and Moonfeather, Illuminati Codes, I hope you and the real ones, those true divergence and glitches in this matrix and reality, are doing well. Please send love to the family and friends for me. Much love, though, Bird Dog. Much love, much love. What price do you see for XRP at the end of the bull run? Man, see, man, pioneers, it's like, you put me on the spot right there, because, like, I really don't like to do predictions and things like that. I really don't like to call things like that, especially with, the market we're seeing right now, things we've never seen in the world of cryptocurrency, in the world of finance, I can give you a rough draft of where I think the highest potential is we could see, but yeah, man, I don't really like to do that, man. I just like to decode. I just like to bring what we're seeing in the charts, what the charts are showing me, and yeah, it's gonna be hard to really predict that, but I can tell you right now, if I I'm looking at something pretty euphoric. If we're looking at something new all-time highs for Bitcoin and something we've never seen for cryptocurrency, mass adoption at a global, large scale, even an altcoin washout, and then mass money going to the true coins, finance and stocks being integrated into the blockchain. We could be seeing possibly upwards of $76, $86 XRP. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it by the code, man. Always the numbers. But we'll have to do a lot of TA on that real quick. Let's go to weekly time frame. Let's go back in time and let's get our fucking handy dandy fib circles out, and let's go from all-time high to all-time low that we're getting. Okay. Alright, so we know we ain't got back to $3 in like going on 7 years, 6-7 years, some shit like that, you know what I'm saying? We can measure it real quick from this day to where we are today. We're looking at, wow, 2,254 days. That is a span of, pioneers, 322 bars on the weekly time frame. Okay, so fucking phenomenal. Another 322 on the fly. Could this be a sign that the sell-off is over? Because we've been in an uptrend going back to like June, going back to C19, going back to, prior to our all-time high. Okay, so we haven't really seen a mass deviation and trend reversal other than a massive bull pennant we could be forming that could be taking us to the upside. So if we wanted to entertain that, we could be getting ready to pump up towards $1.12, $1.09, like I was talking about, and testing the top side of that trend line. Okay, but we can come back from this area right here, and then boom, boom. We fell below it, okay, because we're going to the wicks. We fell below it, got above it. Fell below it, got above it. So we've done that. Now we've pumped back above it again. You can see that right here. So we've recently, this is where everybody got shooken out. We called for the 54-cent lows. We called for 47 and only hit 48. Okay, cool. So we pumped out of this falling wedge. Breakout, banger, upwards of 70 cents we've talked about. So we've got back above the trend line. So we want to hold weekly closes above it. Okay, so we want to hold daily closes above it. We drop past 62 cents right now. Get ready to short to the downside. Get another accumulation opportunity wherever it comes in. Okay, we've got our horizontal ranges. Alright, so massive bull pennant breakout that if we wanted to entertain, okay, in long-term theory, it would be a measure and move that could take us, notice how I'm saying this, upwards of, a perfect measure of our 4.236 Fibonacci circle into 2025, 2026. Oh, it could take longer. Okay, pioneers, upwards of $700-800. Banger! So, why not dollar cost average into the lows right now? Why not dollar cost average into under $1 XRP that we've been screaming for 4+ years to buy? It is our biggest holding. We share this in our portfolio that we share by percentage on our website. So why question me? Not you guys, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? People that in other communities around the world that leave comments because I make mistakes spelling marriage. I just misspelt it. The same letters were in the word, bro. It gives you the same numerological results. You know what I'm saying? I just misplaced the A and the I. My bad, bro. And they didn't want to, anyways. So, I share my portfolio. You know what I'm saying? XRP, my biggest banger. For 4 years, I made content around it. It's changed my life, and it's about to change my son's life and his future. I promise you that. Okay? So, let's go to the upside. So, 4.236 fib circle coming one day. Screenshot this upside to the banger and put this in your favorite communities all around the world. Alright, we'll drop it in my Discord right now. Trade setups. Bam. Bam. XRP to the upside. So I mean, long term, within the next 2 years, I mean, which is like 600 days plus or minus, could take longer. I mean, fuck me, it's taken 322 bars to get where we are today, and we still ain't broke $1.96. But I think we're about to start eating 4.236 fibs. Okay, so upwards of $6, $7 in the cards. Upwards of this, well, 2.618 fib circle of 27 to 29, $30. Okay, so we could go as high as 245. The what is that? The 3.618 fib circle. Okay, so I mean, just an amazing chart, you guys. Just an amazing opportunity right here, I think. Why did we get this dump recently? I don't know. It dumped down into the 1.618 golden ratio of 5 fib circle. Okay, we sucked out the weak hands, those that panic sell. Okay, those that don't know how to dollar cost average and accumulate into XRP going into the X year. Okay, and bam, bang, right back up. Right after we got past the 1.1618. Okay, now where are we gonna go? The next fib range, 2.618. But it's over time. This is Ripple. We're talking about ripples in time, pioneers. To get ripples in price, we got to get ripples in time first. Okay? So let's remember that. Alright? So let me know how you guys like that TA right there on XRP. Good God! Peace and harmony, everyone. So what price do you see XRP? We went over that. Alright, yeah, no doubt. Let's set that up, Bird Doll. Dogecoin, Dragon Chain, okay. DRGN. I've always looked for a place to buy this. I've been looking for a place to buy this since 2020 when it was at the low lows, bro. And I never could figure out where to send my Ethereum. I gave up on it, just like I gave up on Matic when I could have got $100. And Matic could have got me 100,000 tokens. I could have had upwards of 100,000, 200,000 bucks. But I gave up. So let my mistakes be your opportunity, okay? Yeah. You know it. No, much appreciated for you guys. All right, that's XRP TA you won't get from nowhere else for free. So, but yeah, Dragon Chain. We can look at that. Let's look at XCN first. The best wizard trader alive. Come on. Spirit Simeon, I see you now. Alright, just want to make sure I had the whole chat caught up. Let me get a quick drink of water. Alright, let's go back to XCN. Let's go to my main chart. That's where we got Bitcoin to the downside. How's my trade looking? Still climbing, still short squeezing. To the upside, we're ranging upwards of that 69K. Previous retest of all-time highs is what everybody's calling it, even though I argue institutional highs were the retest of 64K we just did. Okay, and now we're pumping into 69K, the anomaly we saw. Okay, but yeah, gonna probably come back and retest these ranges down here, the 322, 223, and can fall below them, get bought back up, reset the RSI. That's what we've been doing all day. Okay, so just nailing this out on the 1 minute time frame is what I've been charting for you all day, is my charts and moves, and I've been sharing them in the Discord. So again, right here, earlier around 12:30 noon, I was driving in the car with my mom, you guys, with the laptop in my lap, charting. Okay, falling wedge, Adam and Eve, round cup and handle, banger round bottoms pay the bills. We hit 67K again, okay? We hit a rising wedge, a megaphone pattern, measured move to the downside. We've not been making the full measured moves, but the full measured move was 66,600. The 666. But anyways, this left shoulder head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, banger to the upside of 68K. Bang, bang, bang. So anyways, this cup handle upside, I gave this all in the Discord to my pioneers. I shared my results, live trades. I don't know why anybody would question them and think that they were scamming. I'm not going to give copy trade. I'm not going to show you where to set your stop loss. I'm not going to tell you where to enter. I'm not going to tell you where to exit. Okay? I do not give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I document my journey though. I show you the moves, wins and losses. Other people in here sharing their TNA, their moves, their wins and losses. So let's go. Anyway, one of the fastest growing, greatest communities in the world, pioneers. I got one of the best announcements coming soon. I'll have something coming to my website, my channel, that nobody else in the world can say they have. How about that? How about them apples, pioneers? So, anyways, let's go. Stay attention for the biggest announcement ever to the Daily Candle Close News. That's gonna be all about helping you. Okay? So remember that. If you're interested in help and security in the future when it comes to your finances, then stay tuned. Because that message is coming soon. I'm working with a gentleman and Modern Sword to get this presented to the community. And boy, is it going to be an amazing feature to claim that we have access to here. Nobody else is doing it. Okay, pioneers? So again, we're here to change the game. We're not here to fucking play it. Alright? We're here to challenge you to be your own fucking leader. To turn lead into gold. Become the alchemist. Okay? Alright, that's all I'm doing. I try to lead by living by example. Alright? So, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What were we looking at? XCN, coach? Good God. We got 2,000 plus cryptos on this thing, man. We don't know where XCN is right now. Just the fastest way to get to it. Type it in, then click on it again. How about that? Alright, good God, that 1 minute time frame. I hate reading them like that. Banger, banger, banger. Retested the 322 to the 223. Bounced up. You had limit order set there. You're already in green. We teach you this. Okay? So remember that. That's why they're on the charts. Alright? So we had this recent bull pennant breakout. Banger, banger, banger. Okay? So that full measured move is exceeded by now. So now we're looking for the next one. Alright? But what we're waiting on is this still full fallen wedge breakout. So we've got this fallen wedge breakout, measured move, taking us up to the 382. We get to that 382, we can climb. Let's go to daily time frame and I'll show you why. Bam, banger, banger, banger. Long-term accumulation, price discovery to the downside, fib from high to low, okay, on logarithmic scale with logs settings set on the fib. We just hit into the 223, EMA at 003. We're headed to the 322 EMA at 006. A double up from where we're at right now. A more than double up because we're at 002, so $200 to get, wow. 200 bucks to get 100,000 XCN. Fucking amazing. We're up 96 bucks heading into the 96th day of the year. We could be heading into a 96K Bitcoin. We're about to hit 69K. Let's go. So anyway, some of this money we got available right now, we're just going to go ahead and send a spot. Fuck it. Alright. Boom. Futures. I'm going to show you. I believe in my TA. I believe in XCN. Alright. We're going to stay true. We're going to go to XCN on spot. We're going to go right here, trade USDT, buy crypto. Bam. XCN. Oh, that's CXN. XCN. Sorry, I make mistakes, man. A lot of y'all might not know I grew up with a speech impediment. And here I am today speaking in front of the world. On my way to becoming that motivational speaker I always wanted to retire to be. Bet you didn't know that. I bet y'all didn't know that I bit half my fucking tongue off when I was younger. Had to get sewed on. Me and my twin brother both did this event, as a matter of fact. I guess we just wanted to, you know, monkey see, monkey do. But anyway, his was a freak accident, sitting on a rail. A teacher opened the door at preschool, and he is sitting on the rail with his hands on the rail. His feet slipped through, and he just was holding on to the rail, and he just went whoop, hit the bottom rail where his feet were sitting, and bit half his tongue. I was climbing on the chair to get something off the top of the bookshelf that my mom took from me one time. So anyway, but what I'm getting at is I had a speech impediment growing up, pioneers, and I'm here today. I always wanted to grow up to be a motivational speaker, to be a fashion designer, pioneers. Here I am today looking so fresh and so clean, being a motivational speaker, speaking to you around the world. Okay? So anyway, I'm here to speak, lead by example. Alright? So, I forget what I was getting at by that. But, I had a speech impediment growing up. Alright? I had to go through speech classes. Dyslexic my whole life. Maybe it's dyslexia, maybe it's the fact that I read as above, so below, so within, so without. How about that? Maybe it's because I'm able to see symbology. See esoteric things. I'm able to see things that ain't even fucking happened yet. How about that? Like we called the 69K top, the 15K low bottom. We called the Queen's death a year plus in advance. Huh? So what about the other bullish things we called? Yes, we've made mistakes. But anyway, XCN, man. Let's fucking go, man. USDT, quit playing, coach. XCN, $14, $15 on the market. Buy. Bang. A spot. I don't even care if it dips lower. I'm going to make more money on my trades. I share this so you can make the same money. Upwards of the same percent. You ain't got to trade at upwards of 117% like I do. But anyway, why am I trading at 1117 lately? Because we've been in a fucking short squeeze for Bitcoin. And weren't we banned off YouTube back in November for coming out and sharing with you all what we were about to see in a short squeeze for Bitcoin? Because this movie released on 117 called Dumb Money. And we were about to make some dumb money. And they fucking banned me for 90 days. But people question me. Ain't nobody else getting banned. Fuck out my face, man. Ma'am, dear, sir. Anyway, fear and greed index, man, 82. Extreme greed. Be careful. But anyway, XCM, man, that's what we were doing. I gotta get a drink of water, man. We've been banging. We've been going. So, 006, man, 006, 007, 0.5 fib, 007, 0.5 fib. So, once we get to the 382, we're going to come back test more than likely, get rejected. We can come all the way back down to possibly here, okay? 0011177, something like that. You know, it could be a wick like this. XCN's pretty wicky, bro, okay? But 382, okay, 004. 006, 0.618 golden pocket. You know, we're looking at 2 cents, man. We're looking at 786, 3 cents. We could possibly see this pump into a new all-time high, and it's just getting started. We're giving you something underappreciated. So I mean, we're still looking at when we gave this, man. This was upwards of 600% call. So again, man, we were back here with Modern Sword, November 7th. Dumb money date. The date we got banned from fucking YouTube. Anyway. That's a 766% banger when we were talking it back here in November when we were in a falling wedge breakout banger. Falling wedge breakout banger. Falling wedge breakout banger. Falling wedge breakout banger. Falling wedge breakout. Fucking banger. Okay? So, I mean, we're just going to keep repeating this higher high until the rally's over for it. Alright, now I argue that it's just fucking getting started, regardless of what the daily time frame RSI says. Okay, I think we're going to continue to pump up here, come back, and then go into new all-time highs. So more money right now to be made. We just got to get past the 223 EMA on the daily time frame, pioneers, and we're just getting rejected from there. We're just getting rejected from the 200 EMA. We're coming back to the 21. We've bounced since. We've bounced from the 8 since we got back above the 13 and the 8. We just got to clear this 382, okay, from high. All right, let me go back here. From low to high, it gave us a perfect trader range of 786 for a potential breakout. Bang, bang, bang. Man, I know my pioneers got my back, bro. I know my pioneers making money. I'm only here to help anybody and everybody in the world that wants to give me a chance, bro. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I give this shit away for fucking free. I don't ask for super chats, bro. Okay? I would fucking never ask for a super chat to do your fucking TA. I asked for you to give me your favorite crypto to do TA on. It helps me learn. It helps me grow. Man, these other people, man. Let's go, man. Bam, bam, bam. Current viewers. 7. That should be 7 likes. XCM, man. That's what I got on XCM, man. Magic A. Sharing your channel with the whole world. Gracias, my friend. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Much obliged. How about that? Can we not get back to proper etiquette? Much obliged. Man. Alright now. If you're not getting banned, you're doing it wrong. These haters don't follow the rules. Yeah, I know. Ain't that the truth? Archblock, Jasmine, D-Row will melt phones and laptops. Good God! Jasmine's already started. We can talk about that. Let's get to Dragon Chain. DRGN. Okay? Man. I didn't know if anybody knew about this one, man. I found this in 2020. Could not figure out where to fucking get it. Gate.io. Might be my new pal. Man, see. Alright. I'm glad I didn't buy it in 2020. How about that? Look at this. I couldn't figure out where to buy it. Man, it'd have been nice to figure this out in June. But, yeah, man, this thing's done the same thing as XCN, man. Pumped straight up to the 223. This thing is gonna be a fucking banger, you guys. Shout out to fucking, believe it or not, I got a fucking white paper from Tika Tawari sent to me one time from one of my friends that they had paid for, right? From, it's like Palm Beach Investments or some shit like that. Anyways, they got the newsletter and everything. They wanted me to check it out back in 2020, so that's where I found it. So shout out to them. I won't put their name out there. But we just got to the 236. I would be looking for a retest of the 21 at 0.36 cents, okay? Alright, that would be the greatest opportunity for me to invest and accumulate, okay? Alright, the 236 at 0.43 cents, which we are in March, pioneers. So, you know, let's pay attention to that 0.43 cents, okay? And some people say I'm not a decoder neither. I don't fucking know where they get the audacity, bro. But anyway, rejection from the 200 could send us down there, or just a wick could send us down there again. Alright, a back test would be nice. Alright, so anyway, greatest opportunity to buy on a limit order, and then bam, 382. That's where we're headed, okay? We just got to get past the 223 and the 200 right here. And the 322, look at this. It's just starting to print. So we've got a target now. We now have an upward target of 15 cents, 16 cents, upwards of the 382. Upwards of the 382. 17 cents. Fucking banger, you guys. Just from where we are right now. 178%. And it can go higher. I mean, Dragon Chain, I believe, is going to be a fucking major player. Look at that. If we hit a new all-time high, upwards of $104, upwards of 3 figures at around $71, we're looking at 109,000% gain. Absolute banger. Doesn't make it. Do we see a washout of altcoins and shit coins? Who knows? Meme coins are pumping. Pepe in price discovery. Shiba going to the moon. Dogecoin in the top 10. Good God. Let us pray. So, I mean, pioneers, I don't know. I'm just here to document this journey with you. I'm just here to take advantage of the euphoric thrill opportunities we are seeing, because, I mean, it only took, for this coin regardless of the anomaly in time we see right here, I mean, nothing can go straight down, but eventually it ended up coming back down. So I mean, if we look at, I mean, 322, we're talking about 2,254 days, 322 bars for a lot of these things. Like, wow. You know, what did this do? Come out when XRP hit an all-time high? The money went straight into Dragon Chain? Good God. I mean, I don't know. But what I'm saying is, you know, this thing's got potential, man. I've been very big on this. I'm going to create a Gate.io account. If somebody has one, Modern, if you got one, let me know. We might, you know, do some talking about getting me some Dragon Chain. I don't know, man. We'll see what's up, man. We'll see what's up. But yeah, I'm loving this cup potential handle coming in right here, okay? And banger to the upside. So I'm definitely watching it on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, to see if we come back to the 322, 223, the 200 EMA or SMA right here, that red one, but the EMA is above it, the 322, 223, the 200, you know, 0.21 cents. So yeah, there to there, or there to there, you know, could be a double play right here. We are in a rising wedge, so I could see us break down. 8 starting to flip to 13. If the 8 and the 13 flip to 21, we keep closing below the 21 like we are. Bang, bang, bang. All right, so short, reverse, or long, accumulate, boom, bang. So that's what I'm seeing for Dragon Chain. So yeah, man, potential banger, you guys. Quick drink of water. Yeah. 6 current viewers, 7 likes. So thank you, Bird Dog. Let them know. Hit the likes. So we got more likes than we got viewers right now. So I mean, we can't complain. Nice. Oh man, you're welcome, Modern. You're welcome, bro. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for the support. You could have been anywhere in the world tonight on March 4th with us, you know, instead of learning about, you know, why we could potentially see a 96K heading into the 96th day of the year, Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday, okay? All right, as we head into seeing the beast, the 47th president rise, okay? Or potentially that 75K, okay? So again, you know, go check out the blogs if y'all haven't. Luckily, you guys, you know, not bragging or nothing, but I mean, we're 10 weeks in now, you guys. I've been able to write 10 successful weekly blogs that have nailed things like Sui or Avalanche, Solana, Bitcoin, you know, multiple crypto price targets and ranges for the week. The overall sentiment of the market, I mean, just absolute fucking bangers, bro. So something I've been really dedicated to. I didn't do one today like I wanted to because it's Monday when I usually release it, but I did release one yesterday early with what we were seeing because of the potential day I had with my mom, errands, taking care of my son, like, you know, really big day today. So yeah, I mean, in the charts, I mean, a really big day today. Oh, today was a good day. Okay, so, you know, bam. All right. So what else are we looking at, man? That's what it is, man. What are we looking at? For free! DRGN had no ICO like XRP, only 400 million supplied, Dragon year. Also, SEC case is over, parabolic. Oh, fuck me. Hey, yeah, Modern. Tax is on the way, man. I need, if you got a Gate.io, we gotta get together. Alright? Modern's my sidekick, my PIC, my partner in crime, my ace boom coon, my getaway driver. Let's go. Him and Roy Moore, you know, two of my longest supporting viewers of the channel, man, going back multiple years. So love it. ABT. Is that Arbitrum? Because I got Arbitrum on my notes right here. Where's my note? But yeah. ATT, ABT. Arc block. Let's go to Gate.io, man. Something about it, man. Something about it today. $1.16. Oh, God. Let us pray. Help me. Retesting the previous all-time highs. So let's go and pull a fib from high to low. Arc block. So it wasn't Arbitrum. It was arc block. I mean, so obviously not everything's doing this. XCN, a lot of things aren't touching their all-time high, so they're obviously, you know, no alt season for it yet. You know what I'm saying? Could be the start of one. Mini altcoin season, who knows? That's what I called in December, was, you know, when we did our December poems on, you know, Christmas anyway. We said, could we see a mini altcoin season delivered to our stockings? And well, since then we sure have seen a short squeeze to the upside for not just Bitcoin but everything. Worldwide currencies are in new all-time highs. You know, stocks are in new all-time highs. Not every one of them. So again, not every stock is performing, not every crypto is performing, you know what I'm saying? But it's pretty much an everything bubble is what it is labeled right now, is what we're entering and about to see pop, you guys. So arc block, I mean, this thing is fucking banged, you guys. Upwards of 3,700%, and we could see it extend into $18, you guys, from $1.70, $1.80 to $18. Okay, if this thing wants to rip and roar like fucking everything else, then eventually, okay, it's gonna get here. I'm not saying it's gonna happen this move. Alright, I eventually see this being the golden ratio. From golden ratio, we get above it probably, and then come back down to golden pocket. Okay, from golden pocket to golden ratio to golden pocket. Okay, and then we can go under it. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, this is a mini altcoin season. Okay, boom. Now that it's back at all-time high, it's about to hit price discovery, and it could be this right here. From where we're at now, upwards of something like a 2,500% move. Okay, so 36, 44 bucks. 30. Let's aim for 43 right now. Okay, because it's March 43. So we've got a few weeks to pay attention to 43. It's 3-4 when I'm giving you this decode. Okay, so March 43. That's where we meant to go. But it's 3-4. Today is internationally written 4-3. Okay, so that 43 is very important. All right, read about it in my blog. All right, but anyways, even JP Morgan and Jamie Dimon, where's that at? Thinks we can head upwards down towards 42, 43K. So what event could take us there in March? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'd be aiming from, if we're gonna continue, I'd be aiming for that golden pocket right there. But we got to see continuation. We got to see multiple daily closes above this 21 at $1.60. Okay, 161. We got to hold $1.61.818. So 1.618 is what we got to hold to get to 1.618 of the golden ratio and phi of the fib channel. Okay, so that's how I'm decoding this right now for you, pioneers. All right, and we can wick down past that 1.618 in price and be bought back up. Okay, let's remember that. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. Heavy rejection and wick all the way back down to 67 cents on the larger time frames would show weekly 21.73. So close. So, you know, wouldn't be surprised if we go down there and then bounce back up to the 161 from, you know, breakout of the golden pocket to the golden pocket, hold support, bam. So I could see something like that. You know, we're just speculating right now. We're not doing no pattern drawing or nothing like that. What I could say is, you know, we've done a full 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave of an Elliott wave pattern theory. So we could see a short ABC correction before a continuation. A, B, C, So down to 37 cents maybe at the lowest. You know, got a lot of smart money concept fair value gaps right here. Retest previous high in the 382 breakout, or the 0.5 breakout. Okay, so previous high is what we could see the C wave test. Okay, all right, so could happen. But within this 5 wave, you guys, we're setting, this is a sub count, okay, of an overall higher Elliott wave pattern move. Okay, so let's get it back up. Where the fuck did it go? Okay, right there. But 1, 2, 3. This could be 4 into 5. Okay, and because this was a 5 wave, all right, what this could even be is a larger sub count of a 1, 2, 3, making this 5 wave a sub count of a. We got a sub count of a sub count of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. Okay, so let's remember that. Upwards of $1,000 over time for our block. But anyway, so yeah, I mean, that's what I'd be paying attention to, Bird Dog. Truly, that's the TA upside and downside targets to look at on the daily time frame, so you're not sucked into the 2 minute, the 7 minute, the 2 hour. You know, if you want a day trade, we look at day trade setup sometime in the Discord. Just reach out. You know what I'm saying? But this lets you set back, set limit orders, set de-risk orders to buy and accumulate, sell, etc. And bam, enjoy yourself over the next several months, year of this potential cycle. If we see this cool off soon and Bitcoin doesn't break all-time highs and we're just double topping right here, triple topping right here, that I don't really want to entertain right now. Not with this, not as much. Not the way we've been eating up shorts, you guys. I think they're gonna run us into the quickest, fastest, shortest bull run ever. And then we're gonna see an event, a black swan event, and this world change forever. Okay, so let's remember that. But yeah, that gives you a long-term view over the next year, though, my friend. If something deviates from that right there that I've shared, or something's happening throughout this period, we can check it out in another live, or sometime I can invite you and the community on to the Tuesday, Friday night TradeAholics and Fibonomics group and class, if you guys would like, and we can go over a lot of things there. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing for our block. So I'm gonna zoom out, 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, as a matter of fact, and that's what we're looking at. So we'll go ahead and copy and paste that in the chat as well. Yep. Pause. What an exciting evening, they said. XRP finally busted through order block ranges. Let's go! So, anyway, let's check out our trade on Bitcoin. Banging. Upwards of 69K. Let's go. I got 68,693. Can I get a 68,711? I got it. Can I get a 68,722? Can I get a 68,722 Bitcoin? Can I get it? I got it. Come on. Let's go. Can I get a 69K? Can I get a 69K Bitcoin? Short squeeze right here. Bam. Back down to the 200. Fake out. We didn't quite get there. Bang. V-shaped recovery. What we've been doing for weeks. So anyway, got all the way down to the 200, 223 back here. But now we bam. We're breaking previous break of market structure. We're back testing the break of market structure. We're about to head up to 68,722. Can I get a 68,722? We just retested 68,666. That's 666. Let's go. Green, green, green. Hammer doji to the upside. Riding the top side in the Bollinger Band. Show me continuation. Nobody doing it like Coach Abe. Let's go. Bangers. Bangers, bangers. We give them to you before they happen. We walk you through them. We share our results. We walk you through them live in the YouTube live. Let's go. Let's go. 4-3 in March on 43. The 4-3 date. March giving us the 43. Bam. Banger. Let's go, Pioneers. Much love, much love. Let's go. Getting rejection from the top side in the Bollinger Band. We're breaking back above. Let's go, let's go. Can I get a 68,750? Can I get a 68,750? Now that I got the 68,722 I got, can I get a 69K going once? Can I get a 69K going twice? I need it, I need it. Let's go. Break of previous all-time highs. Let's go. Daily Candle Close News, baby. Go to the website. Join us on the YouTube. On Twitter, X, let's get that following up. Let's go. Follow us on Facebook, Rumble at Honest Abe. Let's go. Links coming in the description down below the comment section of this video when we are done. Let's go. Back to the trade live. Up. What are we up, Coach? We're up 408%. Let's go. Making money. Hey, and I know you only see 25 on the margin, but we had plenty more on there, okay? We done made some. We got plenty in the trading account, okay? We got a stop loss set that we're going to move up right now. Bam, under the 322. You see it. No matter what, we're getting bangers. No matter what, we're going to stop out with at least 258% gains of this. We've got multiple take profits set up towards upwards of $76,000. Let's go. So let's go. We're riding this trade. If we start to see resistance, but then we start to see support near our entry, which was down here at around 66K, guess what? Boom, bang. If we break out of 69K, come back and retest 67, but we hold support, guess what? Add to the trade. Double down. But I gotta see support held. 69K could be a double, triple top. Could be a breakout into new all-time highs, fake out. The biggest fake out, shake out we've seen in the charts heading into the halving. Upwards of 200% is what we historically pump into the halving, Pioneers. Okay, so if we go back to on the daily time frame, we hide the drawings. And we go to where we are right now and go back to the start of the year. Okay, never mind. Go back to the start of the year. Upwards of 200% is where we pump before the halving. Wow, 342% since the 15K lows prior to the halving. We are blowing it out the water, Pioneers. Blowing it out the waters. Blowing it out the water. Up 106 bucks. Let's go. Up 421%. About to break into 69K. Let's go. Riding the top side of the Bollinger Band. I need to see closes above that top side Bollinger Band to see continuation. We know the RSI is getting overbought at 68. We're at 68K. Oh no, it just hit 69. Does it mean we're about to see price hit 69? Let's go! Up 107 bucks, man. Quick drink of water. What's the question, Pioneers? Catch the short right here. We're going to come back and retest the 12, the 21, the 26, possibly the median band of the Bollinger. We can come back down here and retest these. Okay? But we're probably about to short squeeze even more. Okay? Look at these massive bearish divergences. Lower highs, but yet higher highs. Anyway, I'll just behave. I mean, they just keep printing themselves too. They've been printing themselves on the daily, the weekly time frames. Oh, good God, this short squeeze can pull back ugly. Maybe they're right. about that 42K potential pullback, 43K in the month of March. What does this guy know? He's the same one that told you if he caught any one of his employees buying Bitcoin in 2020, 2017, 18, he'd fire them. He's the same one that said it is criminals that use it. It was a scam, but now you've seen Congress forced into it. Wall Street forced into it, and he's gobbling up a fucking bag of it. Okay? So, I mean, you know, he wishes. He's probably got a limit order to buy at 42K. What you think? At 43K, what you fucking think? Shit. I'll shut up. Trade that we gave out since 57K. Trades that we gave out since 38K. Trades that we gave out since 15K. Still printing fucking money. See how we're doing. Still recording. 23 views, 9 current viewers. That should be 9 current likes. Let's make sure we get the likes up to the viewers. Let's go. Bam, 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 banger. Let's go, man. So, in a downtrend right now on the 1 minute time frame, we've got some time to look some other cryptos. What are we looking at, Pioneers? What are we looking at? Oh, good God, the chat's on fire. Oh my God, the fieriest chat I've seen in my live experience here on YouTube in years. You guys are amazing. XRP 0.67 cents. Banger, banger, boom, boom, boom. All right, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. ABT is going to $100. Yeah, we just showed that easily. When? Only time will tell, my friend. How about XPR? Yeah, we can look at XPR. We looked at XCM, we looked at Bitcoin, we looked at XRP, we looked at XPR. Yeah, big banger, big banger right there. Potential banger in XPR. Streaming book maps in the Discord right now. I'm coming to join you live, Modern Sword. You didn't know my Discord has book maps going almost at all times. Shout out to Modern Sword. So, okay, we see the liquidity at 69K right above us. Order blocks that can be hit, liquidity that can be hit. We usually go to the red zones. Let's go. So banger. I bet you didn't know you was gonna get a live version of heat maps right now, a paid version for free tonight. Everything I'm giving you is for free. I don't ask for nothing. Hey, but you can always donate. I'm just saying. Just throwing that out there though. But yeah, Cash App, Venmo down below in the description below. You can be my first ever live super chat if you want it, but I'm definitely not going to ask for it like these other crypto YouTubers. I'm going to ask for you to give me your favorite cryptos, the cryptos you're invested in, the cryptos you're trading right now to look at for free. So the only crypto YouTuber to do that. So Modern, man, I can't wait till we can get together and bring this exciting announcement to the community, to the world, about what we're bringing to the Daily Candle Close News, about who we are bringing to the Daily Candle Close News. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Big things coming, let's go. Falling wedge right here. Falling wedge that could potentially be breaking out. Got a lot of bubble action. Bubble action. Short squeeze continues. Up to 68,700 is what I'm seeing. Yep, look at this orange, this red right here. 68,700, 68,600. We could be headed there. We could be headed down. Thank you, Modern. Thank you, Modern. Look at that. Live action. Live action adjusting it for us. Let's go. Let's see if we can pump after that. Red action. Pioneers. Nice, 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 nice. We're gonna exit out of this so we don't get no interference from the Discord and the live. Let's make sure we're still streaming. Boom, Dogecoin, Abe. Dogecoin, it's a big fucking deal right now, ain't it? Dogecoin, upside, banger, potential. Back in November, we were at 79 cents for Dogecoin. I was out here in the month of November preparing my pioneers and my followers for an 11-cent Dogecoin. And guess what? We fucking pumped into 20 cents. Good God. We've been in this massive 2-3 year bull pennant breakout triangle to the upside that could be taking us upwards of the 3.618 of the long-term fib, upwards of $21 for Doge. Shit. Ain't nobody giving y'all them targets. We're just getting started, coach. We're just getting started, coach. Dogecoin from high to low, fib. Okay, I see where I need to go. Boom. So, I have a video. You can all go look on and see. We told people at 72 cents, it wasn't a high, but we told them at 72 cents to sell their Dogecoin. Not financial advice, but that's what he was doing, what I was doing, to invest in XRP eventually. And, that turned out to be a fucking golden play. Fuck, I know though. Anyway, and now we're headed back towards the golden pocket, 33 cents. Alright, we're at the 0.5 fib. Again, once we got to 382, once we broke 236 and got past the 382, boom, boom. We got to get past that 382. We got to close though. Okay, see how we closed above the 382? Short squeeze. Okay, boom. 618 next. We can come back. Got a lot of value here. 21 EMA, 11 cents. I doubt we get that opportunity again. I don't know if I can give it to you back here in November. So, yeah. NTA, before we broke out of this pattern, too, you guys. I mean, I don't know, man. But my TA's questioned, you guys. By people all around the world. I don't understand it. Like, I don't understand it. It blows my fucking mind. People hate making money, is what the fuck it is. And then banger, 33 cents to upwards of this 888. We're talking about 55 cents, okay? Talking about a new all-time high, and the 1618 at roughly $4.18. $4 even, to be conservative, okay? So, I mean, that could be next year, but guess what? That's what shows opportunity, all right? Value in buying the lows, okay? Buying the lows, okay? Boom. Bought here, de-risked here. Bought here, you could possibly be de-risking here at $24 fucking dollars. Coming out of the 2024 year, this year, next year, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. But right now, I'm looking at upwards of 33 cents. That golden pocket, 702. All right, to retest this previous high right here. Right now, we've just broke past this high at 16 cents. So get ready to fucking double up. All right, not financial advice. All right, when you look at Dogecoin, don't forget. You could be seeing, again, 72 is when I told my pioneers to sell. Alright, you could be seeing 35 cents. Alright, 36 cents for Dogecoin. 45 cents for Dogecoin. $1.44 for Dogecoin. Okay? If it gets bloody, a retest to 12. The 12th square. The 12th Fibonacci. Okay? So again, let's pay attention to that. 12 cents. Alright? Is what I was saying there. So get ready to retest that 72 cent high for Dogecoin. Alright? So yeah. That's what I'm seeing for Dogecoin pioneers. I know, bud. I know. Fuck. Man, some of them I do look up to, though, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I value at least everyone. You know what I'm saying? I love everyone. Support everyone. Tribalistic nature, I don't fucking understand. Man, I've gave shout-outs and supported multiple people and... You know, said multiple times, my stuff is for you and the follower and for you to succeed, not me. I mean, I just don't know why I would ever be targeted like that, to be honest. Why I'd ever be questioned, to be honestly. I mean, but again, this is probably coming from people that have lacked to view, 300 plus videos and, thousands and thousands of hours of, my work. If they've been here like you, Bird Dog Crypto, Ronan, Modern Sword, Rory Moore, Spirit of Simeon, Caius, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but you know what I'm saying? I mean, shit, I don't know. Rory Moore made $30,000 in October. Alright, so I mean, banger. So, yeah. But, what else? XPR. XPR was next, right? XPR. Alright. This is my main chart. Where are my drawings? This might not be the right one. I had two of them bubbled. Yeah, there we are. That's my all-time chart. Man, I ain't... We filled out just about every bit of this wick right here, this fat body right here. Alright. So, you know, we can fill out the rest of it possibly, eventually one day. I doubt it, but because we didn't, you know, that's probably it. 005412, you know. We'll see. But this fib I've got pulled, I really like. I really enjoy it. I don't know whatever happened to it. But yeah, it showed us hanging out right here at the golden pocket and then blasting up to the 1618 back to the golden pocket. So like I was saying earlier, from golden pocket to golden ratio back to golden pocket and then lower, you know, we can go back to the 236 and below it, you know what I'm saying? And then we start the fucking pattern all over. Okay, but you're looking at a massive, you're looking at a fucking falling wedge breakout from fucking hell and back, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm just saying. Bam, right there. I mean, that's what you're looking at. Let me get a better color on that so we can see it. Draw it white, and then we'll draw another one. And look at this thing, fucking banger. I mean, we're looking at a measured move, you guys. Let's do the true measured move since we have this fucking fat body right down here. Okay. And where does it take you? Back to the golden ratio of 5, potentially over time up to the 4.236 at $42 for XPR. Good God! I mean, over time, a spot buy right now, because you don't have to trade leverage. Most of my trades, I'm teaching spot buys. Hold, accumulate the risk, investor. I'm trying to talk about fucking generational wealth. Alright, I'm not talking about becoming rich. We're talking about becoming wealthy. Building generational wealth, leaving a fucking legacy here, okay? That's part of it. All right, what is that? 325,000%? No, fuck no. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. You're looking at a 3.2 fucking million% gain at $53 one day. That could take 10 fucking years. XPR's got to make it, but the charts show you right now off of a fallen wedge breakout that goes back to 2021, multiple years. You're looking at making off the rip in this move alone, if we see it continue over the next 2 years, 2,600% easily. So I mean, that's just from where we are now. Not to mention if we pull back into the 21, the 223, the 200, or the 21, the 322, the 223, the 200 right here at 0009, the 236. Like, we've got all this range we can pull back over the next several days, you know? Because, I mean, it probably is overheated on the daily time. Good God. Good God. Good God. What's the MACD look like? Good God, we're getting soft, getting weak. So, I mean, XPR could pull back. You know, I'd be looking at 0012 to 001 to 009, 0086. Okay, something like that. For limit orders, dollar cost average into to retest the 322 that we just broke out of on the daily. Because again, what do I teach you, pioneers? We just got the 21 above the 322. Get ready, let's go to the fucking upside. You better spot buy XPR XCN right now, not financial advice. Banger. That and Velo. Velo's gonna bang. So anyway, XPR to the upside, man. To the upside. You've got your downside targets. You've got your pattern drawing. Okay? You've got your fibs. You've got your upside downside targets. Long-term accumulation spot de-risk buys. Whatever. So you can make this, pioneers, this, okay? That moolah, that guap, that cash that we've been throwing all day. How are we looking on that Bitcoin trade? Banger, banger, banger. Let's refresh, make sure we're caught up to date. Quick drink of water. 93 bucks still, up 369%, 369. If you want to know the secrets of the universe, understand vibration and frequency, 369. Manifestation, 369. All day, every day, I'm manifesting what I want to see. That's 74K. Boy, we working hard to get there. Gotta get past that. 369, that's 69K. Could this be the third time we close daily candles this high in the history of Bitcoin? Back in 2021 in April. Back in November of 2021 with 69K, and here we are testing, knocking on the door. On this stairway to heaven, it feels like, on this short squeeze. Let's go, man. Yo, man, we ending the camera, bro. Quick break from the camera. Quick break from the camera. I gotta stretch, man. I gotta take a quote-unquote safety break, if you know what I mean. We going long. Cryptocurrency after dark. It's 9/11, pioneers. We are selling off at 9/11, getting red in the price action. Wow, banger. Haven't I told you about this 9/11? What happened on 9/11, 2001? We saw them towers come down, and we just saw in a 1 minute time frame a sell off to the 223, the 200 EMA at 9/11. Wow, banger, coach. The numbers always work. Don't stop me out right here, 75% of my trade. Don't stop me out right here, 75% of my trade. Stay holding up above that 322. I'm going to move you down to what I feel is a safer stop loss. Safer stop loss. I ain't here to be greedy. I'm here to make sure I lock in profits, though. But I'm here to make sure if we're going to continue higher, I'm staying all the way in the trade. One thing I'm not trying to do is double down on my trade and bring my average entry up unless I absolutely have to, unless we come down here very close to it and we're setting a bullish pattern. But how could we be doing that if we get a grandiose sell-off? Reset of the RSI, banger to the upside. Let's see if we can start closing back above the 200. We were pumping back above the 200. Can I get a 68,200? 68,200 I achieved. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Can I get a 68,230? Can I get a 68,230? 230 coming once, going twice. Can I get a $68,230 Bitcoin? Close back above the 200 EMA. 206. Can I get a 68,210? Can I get 4 more? Can I get 4 more? Ooh, rejection from the 200 to the downside. We're going to the 322. 322 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. We're closing below this blue 223. Blue 223 could be rejecting us. Reset of the RSI. Let's go. Let's go. I can take my money and run up 300%. I can take my money and run. I can pull my stop loss up here. It can stop me out. It can stop me out 75% of my trade. It leave 25% of my $25 in there. Huh. Do the math, pioneers. What is that? But I'd still be making money if we continue up. I'd leave a runner. It's called a runner. We got a runner. Hour and 33 minutes in. Let's go. Shout out to everybody making it in the live right now on YouTube, watching us potentially break the all-time high of Bitcoin, 69K live together. 7 current viewers, 8 likes. We're outdoing the viewers. Pepe, hope we can catch the top for an insane short. Let's go, Modern said. XPR looking good. MC is in a nice place. Anything under a penny looks like a good buy. Yeah, I may have to get a small bag ASAP. Hey, bro, it's going to be a banger. We've been talking about it for going on 4 months here at the Daily Candle Close News at TradeAholics and Fibonomics twice a week here, calling bangers on it, man. Man, it was, you could, when we first caught it, man, you could have got 100,000 for $100, man, right around that price range, man. It was so low. So he said, I recommend buying your mom, grabbing your mom's credit card and buy. This man's a fool. Oh man, hey, 322, reset of the RSI. Did we pump down lower on price but set a higher low on RSI, showing a hidden bullish divergence? Uh-oh, we have. I did see a putty cat. I did. Can we pump low? Uh-oh, we bring that RSI down lower. Yeah, we might be invalidating that idea. Yeah, we're invalidating that. Let's move it out of the way. It was a good call. We know where it's going to the 322. RSI is still resetting. It can go lower. That's why I moved my stop loss down. I didn't want to get stopped out just yet. I want to see the reversal, and I can move my stop loss back here. Because if we come back down here again after we get support and a reversal from here, and we set a lower high, that could be showing us a downtrend, short-term downtrend. So that's when I'll get stopped out. Save 25% of my trade to see if we reverse. And I can double down somewhere. I just don't know why people got to study my trading. I mean, I can do this live every day if I got to, multiple times a day. Do I got to quit my job? Do I got to quit taking care of my family and my son the way I'm supposed to? Am I supposed to be out here giving copy trades, holding hands? Or am I supposed to be out here teaching leaders, challenging people to be their best self, to become their greatest version? Carpe diem, seize the day. 322 EMA, let's go. Let's get a bounce. Reset the 222, let's go. I ain't got to draw no fibs. I ain't got to draw patterns. I can pay attention to the EMA. I can pay attention to the price action. I can pay attention to the candles, candle trading, the RSI. That's all I need. The volume. Pay attention to my horizontal support and resistance. Support. Lost this support. Need to recover. Let's go. V-shaped recovery, falling wedge breakout. We'll draw the pattern for you. I'll actually do it from right here. Falling wedge breakout. Good God. Look at this. Bam. Absolute banger. If you're taking advantage of this trade right now that I'm about to get stopped out of, that's what we're going to do. We're going to recover. Falling wedge breakout. So glad I moved that stop loss. It was right here. I said, that's equals. We'd be setting equals. We come down there. I don't like that. I moved it down to a safer one I thought was safer. Could this be the sell-off from previous all-time high resistance that we can't get past? Only time will tell. Falling wedge breakout. Bang, bang, bang. Upside. It's not a very big one. It could lead us into a lower high. Let's be careful. Banger. Breakout. Resistance from the 200. Back test. Let's draw this. Let's babysit. Let's babysit. It's what I fucking call babysitting right here. Alright? Because nobody wants to do their own due diligence. Boom, bam, banger. Falling wedge, breakout, measured move. Come up 200. 21 EMA. Get resistance, back test, the trend line. Boom. Banger. Is this a lower high or do we short squeeze higher? This is that V-shaped recovery we've been short squeezing. Reset of the RSI. Volume coming back in. Let's go. Let's watch this 1 minute time frame for a few minutes. See if we get this call. Sometimes it's just grinding in silence. In that war room, that gold room, that dark room. Here's that 12. Rejection from the 12. We came back a little bit. Could we come back from the 12? Come back and retest the 322, the back of the trend line, like I was talking about? We're trying. Bulls are stepping in. Where my bulls at? They might ban me for this one again after this one, you guys. I brought the spice. I brought the sauce tonight. I showed y'all how we can hit 74K, 76K, 96K, heading into the 96, 76 day of the year. I showed you a ton of bullish upside for potential cryptos, and we ain't even got started yet. Going on 2 hours in. You ain't got another crypto YouTuber like me. I promise you that I'm just getting started in my career. I'm about to become a veteran, a Hall of Fame in the game. Let's go. Rejection from the 223. Holding support of the 12. Do we get enough to go to the 200? The 21. Get our rejection there, or do we just climb straight up to the measured move? We can do that. We can do that. But it would be healthy to get a back test. It would be healthy to get a back test. But we've been short squeezing. Fuck it. Fuck the back test. That gives people a chance to buy in. Fuck them. Let's go. Hit the 21 like Coach was saying. Do we get the fail of the 21 and the 200? We're holding support of the 200 right now, the 223. It's that median of the Bollinger Band that's we're battling now. If that 21 can get above it, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Coach. Uh-oh, Coach. Short squeeze. Short squeeze. Up to the measured move. Let's go. Can I get a 68,250? I got it. I've been calling for it. That's a retest of the 26 EMA. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Look at that RSI pumping back up to the 52 range, mid-range, back up to the top side, the de-risking range. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Falling wedge breakout. Bam, 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 banger. Hour and 42 minutes in. Hour and 43 minutes in. Holding support. Back test of the 200. Where are we coming in with the back test, Coach? Are we coming back to the 322? Do we hold support of the 200? Do we go down the 223 EMA, the 12? What does it come in? Where do the bulls step in? They're stepping in at the 200, Coach. You get price action above the 200. You long the 200 breakout. You can pre-run it like we did. Like we showed you. Bam. And bam. Back test into the 200. You can set your stop loss below the 200 now. Banger to the upside. Banger, 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 banger. We give this fucking shit away on a daily basis. Maybe sometimes we take a break so we're not out every day. We're always in the Discord. We're always writing blogs. We're always creating content and videos. We're always holding class twice a week. We're always doing something for you pioneers, period. Even if it's just studying to bring you something. How about that? resistance from our measured move breakout. Go into the chat, man. Go into the chat, man. Nothing new in the chat. Let's go. Hopefully we're still going live. Somebody write in the chat, let me know if we're still live, if you're still with me. Did they keep us from getting this out to you? From live in the breakout of 69K with you on March 4th. Y'all must be asleep. They sleep. Hour and 44 minutes in. Shout out to all my true pioneers. An hour and 44 minutes in. The true chosen ones. Chosen ones are pioneers that know who they are. That are ready to build their legacy, their fortress. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to all my 144,000 chosen pioneers right now. An hour and 44 minutes into the live. Shout out, shout out, shout out. We talked about XPR. We talked about XCN, Dogecoin. We talked about Bitcoin and XRP, sorry. Send your next favorite crypto in the chat. Thank you for letting me know we're still live, by the way, Spirit of Simeon. Do I see anything for Shiba Inu to the upside? Let's go. We just recently talked about this in my last live video. But banger daily time frame. Once price action got above the 322, it banged like everything else I've been teaching you. So look at this. We were out here in 2021 sharing a measured move of a 4.236 breakout from high to low right here that I said was the high for Shiba Inu pioneers right here. I warned all my pioneers to de-risk. I made videos about it on Facebook and YouTube and uploaded them, and it was golden, pioneers. Okay, so again, since getting all the way back down here and buying, we are now up to the upside for Shiba Inu, heading into a new all-time high. So do I see anything for Shiba fucking Inu? Yeah. Banger. If this shit's gonna continue, now that we've got to the 702, I see a potential rejection possibly coming back to the 21. Boom, for a larger breakout to the upside. Maybe we come back to the 236 for a fucking grandiose buying opportunity, but if we come down here and we lose this level, I'd be scared of a potential washout, okay, in shitcoins, alright? But if this thing is gonna continue, boom, 0045, 0046. We've been talking about the 46th president all year. Heading into 0047, coming into the 47th president at the 1.618. Let's go. Shiba Inu. Sheeb. Huh. Dang. 38. Heading up upwards of 0038. Shiba. Okay. Wow, that 96, that 33. Shiba Inu. Giving us that 38 again. Shiba Inu. But yeah, SHIB. Yeah, we went over that. But yeah, man, I do see, I mean, I can see this everything bubble continuing to rise. It's just this daily RSI that's setting at, I don't know, fucking 98. That scares me on Shiba Inu. Pull back. We lose the 702, quadruple 03945. Guess what? Down. Okay, so we'd be coming back. This is the move mini altcoin season you'd be expecting. Okay, this move and a retest sets the larger move. Okay, you don't want to see this now. You may. Okay, we can consolidate a few days. You know, bull pin it, bull flag, back to the 618, the 0.5, you know, something like this, and then break out, okay? Easily, alright? Everything's in a fucking bubble, so. Black Swan event, it's gonna be the, what have I called it? The Great Depression 2.0, possibly coming soon. Within the next few years, at least, I do believe. But it could possibly happen a lot sooner than we've been forecasting. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now for Shiba Inu. Right now, we've already exceeded the move that I was expecting after this fallen wedge breakout. That was to the 382 and the 0.5 fib. I expected a back test then. We got one, but we didn't move past the 8. And now we're up at the 702 golden pocket. This is where I see if we get some kind of flag, some kind of pennant move, and you can go ahead and draw that out. Alright, maybe we pump up the 786 and then get it. Who knows? Okay, but we can pin it right here, or we can flag right here. This is called a scissors. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Alright, boom, but bam. Alright, and then we would have another move over time. And again, this can come down far. Okay, drain down, be bought back up. So possible continuation for Shiba Inu. But if you're de-risking right here after you know 360% gains, not a problem. But if you're somebody that bought up here and you're still holding, I'd suggest waiting a little bit longer. It could take months, could be next year, could happen soon, but if you're somebody that bought the top, somebody that bought up here, and you're hardly up, I'd consider, watching it, doing your own due diligence, making your own investment approach into it, and, consider just maybe hanging in there a little bit longer. I mean, if it's going to enter price discovery like Pepe has recently entered fucking price discovery, then you're looking at a new all-time high. So Pepe, I'm in love with the Pepe. It's grinding, it's rolling, it's printing money, let's go. But anyway, falling wedge breakout, we called it. Bam, bang, 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 bang. I don't know why anybody questions my fucking TA. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders play. This is a bottom formation. Okay, we called the top after a 3,223% increase in the 223 year tied to skull and bones. ABC corrective wave into a double bottom. Bang! Like, where'd we go? The 1.618. Bam! Now where are we going to go? 21 on the daily. That's where I'd expect to go. Unless we just see it fucking continue to roar. I mean, even though we're at 93 on the RSI on the daily, overbought, overheld. Golden pocket, man. Golden ratio to golden pocket. From golden pocket back to the 236 to golden pocket to golden ratio back to golden pocket, man. And we can even go down. So, I mean, you could be looking at the potential blow off top right now for Pepe. I mean, this alone has recently been, and I'm not saying it is, I'm just saying you could be. This is a 666% move from the falling wedge breakout cup and handle we gave you. Alright, we talk about this live, TradeAholics, Fibonomics, Tuesday, Friday night. People ask questions, they pull up a coin for free, we go over it. Okay? So remember that. Alright, 200 simple right down here. Boy, that would be a great buying opportunity if this is just getting fucking started. You know what I'm saying? If this is going to go to a 4.236 Fibonacci of quadruple 173, if this is going to go into even higher, a penny one day like some people believe, man, this stuff right here is just absolute fucking ludicrous. But TA shows why we're getting this move. Inverse head and shoulders, a bottom structure, okay, a falling wedge breakout coming out of a cup and handle, euphoric rise because we got past the golden pocket, the 786, boom, straight to the golden ratio of 5. So back down to the golden pocket now is the next move. ABC corrective pattern is what we'll be looking for. Could we pump higher? Absolutely. Okay, Bitcoin goes to 74K, we can be bam at this move right here. You know what I'm saying? Just throw this ABC out the weight up here. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do. So, yeah. But yeah, man, Pepe, fucking banger. I'm fucking proud of every single one of you that is making that money right now today with Pepe. But taking advantage of the opportunity you're seeing in new all-time highs, price discovery, okay? And euphoric uptrends and euphoria with the RSI on the daily time frame overbought. When we look at the weekly time frame, good God, the RSI is at 90. Scary. ABC could come all the way back down to quadruple 021 for the C wave where the 21 weekly EMA is to retest these previous high ranges. 382, 236. So look at all this fair value. Smart money. Don't be a part of the dumb money buying the tops, chasing green candles. Up 666%. Watch out for the 666. I don't know, man. I'm just watching out for Pepe. I like to make it fun, you guys. But that's the true TA, man. The best way I can break it down, man. Pepe's been an absolute banger. So if Sheeb's going to do anything like Pepe, it's going to be a fucking banger. It's going to be an absolute fucking banger. I mean, the measure move, we're talking upwards of, 1,280% to 5,000%, 1618, 0065, 0065. So, absolute nuts. Absolute nuts. Oh, I don't know why I'm copying that. I don't want to copy that. I was trying to go to the YouTube chat, man. Alright, Bird Dog, much love, man. You might have already headed out, but it looks like you got a head. So, sending you much love. Glad to talk to you again, my guy. Look forward to collaborating with you soon. XLM, please. Okay. Stellar. I'm feeling stellar. Absolutely. Back in 2020, I said we're repeating the Roaring 20s, Spirit of Simeon. Back on my Facebook lives that I would do, holding my phone, recording myself like that. Yo, shout out to Mr. XR Billionaire. But yeah, I said we're about to be repeating the Roaring 20s and heading into another Great Depression. 100-year anniversary of the Great Depression coming up soon. The Great Depression 2.0. History repeats itself, but it's never the same. It's always similar. It's always familiar. And this everything bubble that we're starting to see continue to the upside at a euphoric historical rate is only confirming this. So again, I've been out here preparing my pioneers for another 1971 Richard Nixon shock, another Great Depression 2.0, a Roaring 20s reversion for 4 years now, going on March, April, 4 years now. So shout out to the birthday of me in April. Shout out to the birthday of my channel in April. 4 or 5 year anniversary since 2019, 2020. So, screen will be bigger. I'm just looking at the YouTube chat, Modern. Just looking at the YouTube chat. But, or were you saying screen bigger? Oh, okay. I'm not sure what you were saying. Maybe you was yelling at me to get my screen bigger. But, XLM. Uh-oh. XL1 might be about to blow. Uh-oh. That's a very risky, high reward play. One of these X's, I mean, there's only like 1,000 X cryptos. Ooh, XAI may be coming back to our retest ranges I shared with my pioneers. How about that? I don't know. It was either going to the 1618 is what I told them, or we're coming back down to retest some of these ranges. Possibly. I mean, we've been going down since I gave it to him. Anyway, it's not to know. I'm out here just like everybody else, pioneers. Where's my XLM? That ain't it. Hey, look, y'all. There we go. Stellar. Absolutely fucking stellar. V-shaped recovery. Short squeeze. Sorry, I had to cough, you guys. Short squeeze to the upside. Let's go. But yeah, so long-term channel. Looks like we're entering back into. Let's extend this right line. Bam, heart line. Wow, this goes back to 2023, coach. You were drawing a bear flag and, a potential downtrend in the markets. And, well, what do you know? Banger. Into the heart line. We could retest back into the 21, the bottom side of the parallel channel that I would suggest every one of you draw on your channel now. On your chart now, I'm sorry. And then bang to the 1618 of this previous fib pull that we had pulled from high to low down here. Okay, we already got there once. Got rejection back to the golden pocket. Even lower. about back up, support of the golden pocket, bang, bang, bang. So again, long-term fib pool for Stellar is showing 236 is where we're headed at 24 cents in the 2024 year. Nice. Synchronicity. If we can get there, we can easily shoot to the 382. I know it's hard to see because of this fib right here, but that makes it clearer. We're just waiting to get past this bear flag. Okay, so we need to pay attention at 18 cents. Wow, 187, the top of the parallel channel. Murder at 18.7 for XLM. Back to the heart line possibly, okay? I don't know, a retest of highs. Back to the heart line, back to the bottom, who knows? Alright, but anyways, on our way to the 236 of potentially 24 cents to 34 cents, 36 cents. Okay, today is 3.4, going to 34 cents for Stellar, okay? But anyway, we could be going to, overall, at the end of the bull market, an upward target of the 4.236 from the last bull market cycle, high to low. Bam! $3.20. $3.40. It's 3.4. We could be going to $3.40 for XLM. Let's pay attention to that. So let's get my fib backward. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's what I see for XLM. Let's go to the downside targets. Let's look at the 2-hour time frame and look at the EMA of the 21. 14.3 down to, I would say, the 200 at 12.1. 12.1. Okay, so remember that. 12 cent, 13 cent, you get it, you're lucky. Long, accumulate, not financial advice. Short squeeze, just getting started. Don't wait till we get to 24. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just saying. Wait, you better start watching this back test we could be getting. All right, not financial advice. You need to see this. Okay, you want to see this ABC recovery, this V-shaped recovery, like we were seeing on the daily time frame. This V-shaped recovery is what you're looking for. This V-shape, this round bottom structure, break a market structure, back test, bang! Actually, when you get a break a market structure, it's not even going to give you a back test, it's just going to soar. So, you know, yeah. XLM, man, for free. Threw it out there. How about that? Bam, a banger. Let's see what we see. Boss, done. Celtics, 11-game winning streak. Started run, same time BTC started pumping. In November. Yeah, right? Is that what you're talking about? They started this run in November? Could you look at GRT? Oh man, Judo Jack. Of course, brother. We can look at yes, GRT. We certainly can look at GRT. I would love to. For anybody and everybody. Look at GRT, something we've recently traded and shared results with. Absolute banger. 200x leverage trades. You know, not all of them were, but upwards of 300% 200x leverage trades on GRT. Boston Celtics on an 11-game winning streak started their run same time BTC started pumping. Judo Jack, I think you're a member of the Waters community. Shout out to Waters Above Crypto. Let's go! Let's go. Got a birthday coming up on 3/16. Let's go. I'm pretty sure it's his birthday, so much love. Want to send him his flowers. Want to be the first to wish him happy birthday. So, of course, let's go. Much love. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Chief Wolf. Master Chief right here in the building. Let's go. But GRT on the way. GRT. Oh, that's Gamer Coin. I think it's got a purple logo. Yeah. GRT. Bam. Look at this fallen wedge breakout we recently gave. Bam, bam, banger. Banger. If anybody was here doing RTA with us, watching us, you're already up 70+% to the upside off of this fallen wedge, 121%. Bam, bam. 382, soaring to the 0.5 fib. We want to watch for a retest of the 21, a retest of the 382, a retest of the 236 and the 200, which we're probably not going to get at 14 cents. And we are banging. GRT on its way to the 702 golden pocket, going to be upwards of 460% move from where we last gave our trade setup. A breakout of the 236, long-term accumulation, price discovery to the downside, banger. GRT headed to the 1618 at $33. Let's go. Am I saying it's going to go there now? No. Over time? Yeah. Is this a great spot accumulation buy? Yeah. Left shoulder head, right shoulder. Drain down into a fallen wedge after the right shoulder. Banger. Like, man, I'm trying to look for all red days to get into GRT. If we get a massive capitulation in the market because of a black swan event, you best believe limit orders for GRT gonna be set. Hopefully we get hit. Hopefully, you know, they're in a major event to finances and, you know, cybersecurity and things like that. Because I'm going to leave some crypto USDT, USDC that I've been making open to accumulate lows if we were to see some kind of March event like we saw in 2020, like we saw last year in March in the Silicon Valley bank collapse. So anyway, I mean, just the bubble's got to pop eventually, pioneers. So again, we've got a lot of volume in the markets that's still lower than the bear market. It's just blowing my mind. Bearish divergences on larger time frames like crazy. So anyway, GRT potential banger to the 702 is where we're headed. We just got to see what we do right here. Flag, retest right here. The 21, 382. What's up? Do we just continue? But we're in a rising wedge right now. So I could draw that out if I needed to, and I can. Judo jack, and that's a rising wedge right here. And then we go, bam, right here. And then we've got a measured move down to about the, you know, retest this previous high. That's your measured move. 222. Wow, order out of fucking chaos. GRT can cause. 222. Okay. Order out of chaos. So 222. So yeah, I'd be looking for that range for GRT to retest, and if we hold support there, I'd be looking along to break up to the 0.5, the 618 golden pocket, 58 to 87 cents. And look, GRT order out of chaos gave us 183. You can see GRT go to 83. So who knows? But GRT, okay, giving us that. Oh, I thought it gave us 38, the mirror of 48, 83, I mean. But it gave us 36. So either way, I mean, it's close enough. I'll be looking for that range still. I mean, the TA's there, so just because the numbers weren't doesn't mean nothing. So, but yeah, rising wedge, could see a retest of the 21. We could hold support there. We can hold support at 34, but we could retest that 55, this previous high. All right. That would be about the low as I see it's going. But yeah, everything's in a short squeeze right now, but this rising wedge does have a measured move down, so I'll be watching it. Got alarm set right there. As you can tell, we get right there. Guess what? Long getting set. So again, I'm already on it. GRT been printing money for us since back here. Okay, since we broke out of the 322 on the daily time frame. All right, back tested it and banged. Okay, so we teach this. All right, when you find coins underappreciated, overlooked, undervalued, like Coach Abe here at the Daily Candle Close News, apparently, you know what I'm saying? Not by everybody. My pioneers got me. They got my back, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, we find coins that are under this on the daily. We try to, and you know, we try to accumulate, and then we try to de-risk, and then we try to accumulate, and then we try to de-risk and accumulate and build a fucking spot bag. And then, you know, but once we get price action on the daily, break above the 322, and we get our back test, and we get to 21 above it, guess what? Banger. Upwards of already 172%. So GRT bullish. You could have got GRT on Coinbase back here in 2021 when it came out for free by answering a few questions and earning it. It's called Coinbase Earn. You can earn crypto this way. You know what I'm saying? And then held it a long time. Dollar cost averaged into it. You're already in long-term capital gains to the upside. Let's go! Where do you think we got our GRT spot hold at and started getting it from? We earned it on Coinbase Earn for fucking free. For fucking free. Anyway, we're talking about real wealth, generational wealth building. We're talking about real investor mentality here. Maybe I do play too much in my videos. Maybe I make a few mistakes. But guess what? We out here to help teach too. Okay, we out here to help teach you to be a leader. Alright? How to teach you how to be an investor. Become financially stable. Actually, let's put that trade setup out to the community. Let's copy that and bam, GRT, banger. Let's look at it. Bam. But yeah, anyway, GRT, potential short opportunity, then bang to the upside. So yeah, we'll see what happens, man. Two hours and 10 minutes in. Alright, let's look at the trade. Uh-oh. Came back to the 322. We bounced back up. It got scary for a minute. Reversal, bullish engulfing. Bam, banger. Bam, banger. Back up to the measured move of our fallen wedge breakout. We're setting a W pattern breakout. Bam, bam, bam. We need to break out, retest previous highs. We need to come back and test the neckline. I can draw this move out for you, but this could be a reversal, a massive M pattern. So this is two things forming right here. M to the downside. Okay? Let's move that down. Or this could be a potential W pattern breakout where we back test the neckline and bang to the upside, 69K. So one of two trades is about to happen right here. A market maker move either way. W pattern breakout, double bottom. Oh man, do we continue to short squeeze right here? Retest the halfway of the RSI. The 0.5 of the RSI, the 50 range. Then go to the overbought at 69K. Retesting, knocking on its door. We don't want to lose this 322. We're going down, down. M pattern. Scary double top on the 1 minute time frame. We could be going down, down. We could be going to retest some of these lows. We definitely want to hold 66.8, 66.9. Definitely want to hold this 200. This might be where I want to move my 75% to exit out of my trade at no matter what, up 300+%. If we get a better buying opportunity, we get a better opportunity. If not, we leave a runner. Do we wanna? Bulls are stepping back in, holding the 200 on the 1 minute time frame. The 50 RSI level holding true. Banger. Leave your stop alone, coach. If we continue to move up past the measured move, if we continue to break this high, we can slide it up then. Always inch your stop loss up. Always lock in your profits, pioneers. Always set your take profits, your limit order buy-ins, and de-risk. Okay? Accumulation. Remember that. Dollar cost average, but scale out as well. Plenty of people will tell you to DCA and a buy-in, diamond hands. But they don't teach you how to scale out. We right here live doing it with you. Live, you see my limit order set to 76K. That still leaves a 1% runner. Downtrend. We're continuing to drop down. Retest to the 200. I need a bounce. I need the bulls to step in. Let's look at our trade and view chart for Bitcoin. See where we're at. Hey, if you want to know what a TradeAholics and Fibonomics class is like, rewatch this video. I want to get back above that 15-minute 8 EMA. Loving the bull action. Look at this uptrend on the wicks. Bears can't push it down far enough. Not yet. Are starting to crown top here. Could be forming a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Very possible. Coming out of an inverted head and shoulders into a head and shoulders. Think it's a game. Think it's a fucking game. It's very possible. Very possible. You don't like it? Guess what? If you don't like it, guess what? Go somewhere else. Throw it out of the way. Alright? So anyways. Crown distributional top. Potential bull pennant forming. With an ascending triangle range. It's an ascending triangle. Look at this. Look at this. Potential breakout. $70K. Jesus. Going strong for 2 hours. I've been yelling too much, man. My bad, you guys. Throat tore up after. I just got off of a 40-day fast recently, you guys. So that throat still tore up. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah. So anyway. Banger. Ascending triangle. You know, it's a TA move for all you pattern droppers. Okay. So anyway, you got a flat line of resistance with a ascending support. Okay. Where you're apexing into this around the 4th of March. Late hours into the 5th. Breakout into the 5th, 1 month before Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday. Let's go! So anyway, that's what we started decoding this day out on, and this breakout out on, losing the 15-minute 8 EMA, potentially about to lose the 15-minute EMA, the 13 EMA on the 15-minute is what I meant to say. So that takes us back to the 1 minute time frame where we're retesting the 200. We are still holding support of that so far. Banger. But we got to hold support of the 223. Got to hold support. We could be one. It's a double pad. Yeah, it's a rising wedge is what this is. Breakdown. M pattern so far. We just got to hold support of this. Got to continue to squeeze the bears out of the market. The shorts out of the market. So what this could be is a bearish pennant, you guys. This could be a bearish pennant right here forming. Alright, that's bearish. That could be taking us down. Alright, so something very similar to like a bear flag or a bearish pennant. Okay, so we want to measure our move. Alright, and that could be taking us to a measured move of, oh, coach, you're getting stopped out. $67,000 to retest it. Okay, so from 67 to 76, is that the re-entry? Is that the move we need to break through 69K, or is 69 such a large sell wall that we're not even gonna get there? Kind of makes you wonder. We're holding support of the 200 right now. Let's go. The 223 gave us our bounce. Hammer doji. Let's go. Hold the candle close above the 200. Give me a hammer doji. Show me bulls to the upside. Give me a back test of the 200. Give me a back test. Let's go. Banger, banger, banger. You did it again, coach. Did you do it again, coach? Do this shit for real. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We lost it. Fake out. Where are we going? EMA's the 12, the 21, the 26. They're losing the median of the Bollinger Bands. That's bearish. They're headed down. They're sloping down. Candle action showing me wants to close below the 223. Uh-oh. Did you do it again, coach? If we close this candle below the 223, we're coming to the 322. We're breaking out the bear pennant live. I drew it for you. Measured move to 67K. Dude, we got to move our stop loss 75% of our trade up. Right there. If we break out the pennant, if we kick back into it, we got a good chance of getting resistance from the 223 back down 67K. We save 75% of our profits. Bam, we lock in profits. We dollar cost average back into the dip for a potential reversal reset of the RSI. What happens here? Bears making a push, coach. Do we hold the pattern? Do we hold 322 EMA on the 1 minute time frame? If we lose it, we're going to the 5 minute 322. We lose that, we're going to the 7 minute. We lose that, we're going to the 15 minute. Then the 1 hour. Then the daily. Ooh. Up 300%. Still up 77 bucks. Still up 3x. And then some. A little change. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Breaking out the bottom side. Are the Bears stepping in at $68,830? Are they showing us 68 because it's the war number? 68, the start of war. Are we going to see war in the price action in the charts? Are we going to see blood? Let's go, man. Y'all know I play too much. Yo, beef eating bear. What the? Loving the name. Yo, man. He said, damn, I wish I held my loan, man. Hey, you got to join the private academy. Ow, I'm cramping. Oh, sorry about that, you guys. 2 hours and 22 minutes in, I'm getting order out of chaos in my leg. I'm cramping. I got to stand up and stretch. It's been a long day. I need some more water, some more potassium. Let's go. But yeah, hey, you got a beef eating taco, man. Beef eating beer. Listen, you got to join the Pioneer Academy in Discord. It's a one-time lifetime access for $2.23 at the Daily Candle Close News Pioneer Academy in Discord. You just go to book online and go to, right here. I know it, guys. I know it views like you book for 1 hour, but it's a one-time lifetime access for $2.23. I give away tons of fucking trade setups. Okay, I'm out here 24 hours a day, basically. I'm trying to make it like no other crypto community in the world. Fastest growing, largest growing crypto community in the world. Trading group, course, and class. It's not just a course you can watch and then get sent on to do blase with. Kick back into the bear pennant. Kick back into the bear pennant. Potential reversal coming. We got the bounce from the 322 EMA. We teach you how to trade. But yeah, man, you could have been seeing us give these long setups since 30K, since 15K last year, since 57K, since 60K, 64K, all fucking day today. That's all I did was just, I was silent today. I didn't even type in my setups. I just shared the picture. Hey, picture speak 1,000 words. You know what I'm saying? Picture speak 1,000 words. Banger. Okay? And it's what it did. See? Banger. Okay? Inverse head and shoulders is what we formed. Banger is what we did. Okay, all day. So, you know, sometimes I give out the whole trade setup. I tell you what to do, you know, not what to do, but what I'm looking at, what I'm expecting, things like that. But yeah, join the TradeAholics and Fibonomics. Become a TradeAholics, a TradeAholic. But most importantly, don't be a bull, don't be a bear. Become a pioneer, my guy. That's the most important thing, man. Become your own leader, you know. What are the charts telling you? You know, don't listen to somebody else's call. Don't listen to me. Don't let me become the leader. I don't want fucking followers here. I want subscribers here, okay? All right? I don't want people following me, treating me like some second coming of Jesus or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't call my price targets your price targets. No, you read the charts. You tell me what you see. All right, this is what I see. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you be you. You do you. You'll succeed. All of you. Let's go 322 EMA. Give us our bounce. Let's go. Let's go. We got to kick back into the pattern. We know that the bulls have been getting sucked up in the market. We don't have to get the full measure move. So yeah. Yeah, man. I definitely don't want followers though. I just want subscribers, man. See, if I walk in front of you, you guys, I'm the leader. If I walk behind you, I'm the follower. But if we walk beside each other, we're friends. Okay? You see what I'm saying? We're brothers with sisters. All right? So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bear pennant, I mean, sorry. Bear pennant to the downside. Breaking down. Breaking down. Do I get stopped out 75% of my trade? Do I lock in profits? Let's go. Guaranteed money. Guaranteed money. Do we get free money to short? Did my 25 bucks just guarantee me free 50 bucks and my money back? And then some left on the runner. Oh man.
El fin de semana.
¿El fin de semana?
I didn't know our music stopped.
Tranquilo. Presentamos la totalmente nueva Tacoma 2024 con capacidad off-road mejorada.
Anyway, it's like buffering, loading. Alright. Let's go. Look at that beautiful scenery. Oh man. I can do this all day long, pioneers. I can be here till I gotta get off and get ready to go to work. Unless my son needs me. He's sleeping right now, so if he wakes up and he needs me, I got to go. So. Uh-oh. Retesting the bottom side of the trend line of the ascending triangle for Bitcoin. Let's go. Let me get a fake out, shake out, a buyback. Let me get a fake out, a shake out, a buyback. A double bottom right here. A double bottom forming. Breakout takes us back to the upside right here. That's where the breakout measured move of the double bottom would take us. Let's go, let's go. I'll get back to the chat in 1 second, you guys. Just watching this trade. Did we get stopped out? Did we kick back in the pattern? Are we V-shape recovering and squeezing the bulls like we've been doing? Only time will tell. The world may never know. Breakout above the 322. We back tested into it. The bulls are stepping in. We're stepping towards the 12. I got the 12 ENA in sight. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Back test into the kickback into the pattern of the bull pennant where the 21 EMA is at $68,091. $68,134 is next. Let's go. Can I get a 68,134? I'm rejecting from the 12. Back testing the 322 again. Where are my bulls at? Where are my bulls at? My RSI has just reset, pioneers. We may not get the full measured move down of the bull pennant. We're faking out the bears. Oh! Bull pennant may bear pennant may be holding true. Sorry, bear pennant may be holding true. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Buy back up into a hammer doji. The way my EMA has just crossed my 322 or 223, I don't like that. It's pretty bearish. Usually we get a good accumulation opportunity, the large wick down, which will be the measured move of your bear pennant, and then we're liable to be bought back up, set a higher low than this previous low right here. We're just coming to retest 67K after breaking into 68, or 68 is the short-term top or top period for now. And 69K shows that we will be entering what is known as for the halving, a right translated cycle instead of a left translated cycle. We can explain that if we need to, but basically all it means is if you have a horizontal line, okay, on your chart that shows vertical line, I said horizontal, sorry, and it shows your all-time high coming in here, your blow-off top coming in before the halving. This is the left translated cycle versus a right translated cycle, which is what we've always seen for cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's remember that. That's possibly what we could be seeing. Alright, so don't think this is a measured move for Bitcoin right now. This is just talking about a left and right translated cycle, what we could possibly be seeing. So it's definitely what we want to see is the reversal and trend deviation start from here. When I get stopped out, I'll have money in my trade to enter automatically into a short the next opportunity I'm getting to the upside in case this is the level. Stopped out. Guaranteed 65 profits in my bag. Let's go. $6 still in the trade, still making 14 bucks. I'm opening a long at the reset of the RSI potentially. I'm still getting a potential chance to make more money. I'm up 17 bucks already. Let's go. 17 on the trade margin, 17 potentially up still. The RSI is resetting, so I'm probably gonna get a bounce. Could just be a lower high. These RSIs and indicators are going to continue to, indicators not RSIs, are going to continue to move down. We could start getting rejection, start heading down into this bear pennant move. We could hold this low right here though, 6747. So I done doubled down. I'm back up 20 bucks. Let's go. Back up 111%. Let's go. What's not to know about it? What's the question about it? You know, they used to tell me that shit in prison, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And not many people used to say that to me in person after too many times. I just look like this. I just sound like this. I promise you. I used to box my whole life, MMA my whole life. All right. So what I'm getting at is people used to tell me, I don't know about you. What the fuck's not to know about me? I'm in prison just like you, ain't I? What do you mean? That same person usually got slapped. I'm just saying that. Slap you with his TA, slap you with his proof, slap you with these profits and these gains, slap you with his TA. I'm a grown man now, not a little boy status. We're gonna keep doing the work. We're gonna keep grinding, keep shining 4/4 overtime. Let's go. Hey, you don't like it? Carry on. Back up 20 bucks. Let's go. 111%. Let's see if we can continue to climb. Now we can have 2 trades going at once. Might double down on the XRP trade. Let's see what the chat look like, you guys. Let's see what the chat look like. Yahoo to L, peace God, peace God. Yeah, Bitcoin crushing it, my guy. Look like 69 is potentially a overhead resistance and sell wall. Of course we know that, but we'll see if we find some support. Are y'all able to hear me? Let me know. They saying my stream is being temporarily blocked. Slime balls. I'm fucking using non-copyrighted material. Alright. Say I got excellent connection. Base is loading, bottom of the ninth. Let's go. Let me know if you can still hear me. If not, you'll be able to catch it in the replay. But no point to stay live if you can't hear me. All right, let's go, man. I'm pretty sure we're still here. Everything looks good on my end. Bet. Yep. We got my pioneers telling me we still here. Let's go. So, all right. They just trying to get me off. Right now, holding the 15-minute 34 EMA. It is 3-4. We're holding the 34 EMA. Not surprised to be there on the 15-minute time frame. Daily is starting a new day. That's why we're getting this pullback. We're starting a candle for the 5th. Okay. All right. So let's look at the 2-hour time frame. Nice pullback going to the 8. It looks like 67,300. Yeah. Yeah, you guys. It might be time to continue to get ready to potentially short lower, or we just short squeeze out of this V recovery up higher. Okay. It's this massive M pattern that's pretty scary. This bear pennant that's starting to print in a crown distributional type top pattern. Okay. I told y'all that potential left shoulder, head, right shoulder that we could have saw came in. Well, we're getting other bearish patterns to come in at tops at a potential sell wall right ahead of us. So, get ready to flash close the long, stay right here, market 100%. We can get ready to close if we start losing this 12 if we wanted. If we start seeing candles print lower candle body closes below 67,800, we can take and close 100%, 75% of our bag again. I mean, quickly. Okay. So that leaves just a very small margin as a runner to continue up higher, but we're still looking for that double down, price if this is going to go to 74. I'm not trying to lose my $67,000 average long buy-in if it's going to 74,000. Okay, so let's just watch and see what's going on right here. Let's look at the liquidity heat maps back in the Discord right now and hang out with Modern Sword and Patoy, where we see that overhead liquidity still at 68.3, where we can head back up towards that 69K, starting to print nice bubbles. But what's going on? A lot of sell pressure still right above us. Little limit, 67,700 order right down there. So yeah, Modern's gonna check that out for us real quick. Thank you, Modern. Still holding the 21, bumping. Let's go. So price action showing us holding a 21. Modern's got us back up to 67,900. This is spot Bitcoin. So spot orders at 69 and 70K above us to sell. Okay, to sell. You're going to be someone's exit liquidity if you're buying these ranges. Remember that? Okay, so all right. Back on perpetual. Looking at Bitcoin back on perpetual. A little pullback right here after this pump. 67,800 looking as a possible buying opportunity. 67,800, 50-ish. Look at them bubbles. Look at the short squeeze happening right now as we're watching the bubbles right now. Short squeeze right now. Could be starting right now. Nice. Bottom ranging could become this floor could become this ceiling could become a new floor is what I'm getting at. This ceiling could become a new floor. Yeah, I still see 67.9 coming in. We're $40 away. 67,860. Can I get a 67,900? I just got it actually on my Mexi account. At least 947. Bam, 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 21. We regained the 21. We're back above the Bollinger Band median. We just gained the 223 or the 26 EMA. Now we're going to the 322. About to go retest the 223. Back up 25 bucks on my trade. Back up 144%. Shout out to the real pioneers and chosen ones. The ones that know who they are. The ones building their fortress and legacy. The ones that are carpe diem, seizing the day and manifesting greatness. Becoming their greatest version, their highest self. The ones that aren't with all the tribalistic nature. The ones that give you benefit of the doubt and actually listen to you. Watch your work. You know what I'm saying? Much love to all you chosen ones. Up 144%. Much love. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, Patoy. Thank you, Patoy. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Join me in the Discord if you're a member of the Pioneer Academy, and shout out to the world right now. Let them hear your story. We'll turn the music down a little bit. Yeah, but shout out to the pioneers, the ones that know who they are. Patoy giving us a shout out. Yeah. Got Modern Sword right here with us. Everyone, we live. Join us in the Discord. You ain't a member yet? Go to dailycandleclosenews.com and join. So, bam. Bam, look at my panda. Look at it. Look at my panda. Better watch out for them panda eyes. Anyway, I'll behave. I play too much. Shout out to Jamie, a co-worker of mine. Bam, holding a breakout of the 322. Candle body closes above this. Lets me know we're going to continue. My 12, my 21, my heart line of the EMA, of the Bollinger Bands, and my 26 EMA may get back above it, may get back above the 200 and the 223. That shows me continuation. Banger, banger, banger. Give me the upside of the Bollinger Bands. Let's go. We do this twice a week, 10 hours a week. We go live all the time. We do uploads. We do trade setups. We do write-out trading course material. We record trading course material. Like, I don't know what more you could want. My pioneers don't want much more. Except for, Friday to get here soon enough. Tuesday to get here soon enough. Good God, we can't wait 20 more hours. You know what I'm saying? I know, pioneers, I know. I got some major news coming soon. Tomorrow night, pioneers. A special guest coming. So, I know it's exciting at 68K. But it's also scary, you guys. We've got more malicious things going on in cryptocurrency. So if you're ready to know how to stay prepared and secured, stay tuned in to the Daily Candle Close News. Something coming to the Daily Candle Close News that nobody else in crypto has. How about them apples? So join us tomorrow night in the TradeAholics and Fibonomics class, and you may get a early sneak peek into that present we're bringing our viewers. So inverse left shoulder head, right shoulder play on Bitcoin could be taking us back into a higher move than our fallen wedge breakout top that has been a top in pattern right now. But we got to get on past this 200 EMA. This 223 is stopping us out right now. Scary. Up $30, up 165%. So we doubled down at the right time so far. Let's go. We can move our next stop loss right here no matter what. We're up. So if we lose 68K psychologically, well then guess what? Bam, bam, bam. We're gaining money already. Okay, so guess what? Bam. Kick back into the pattern is what we're working on. Bam. Kick back into the trend line. Hold support of the 200 to 223. We could come back down to the 21 to 322 and retest that as support, because we haven't really yet. We did inside this 1 minute candle, but what is that? Nothing. Or we could shoot up. Just take this RSI to the top side. Okay, so retest is what we look like we're getting, but guess what? We gotta close above the 322. So don't let the retest shake you out. Now if this was a false breakout with the wick above and the candle body closed below, that's scary. Okay, so this pullback could just come down, back test, get bought back up by the bulls. Okay, so just bam, 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 continuing to print money. We got a bull flag half staff breakout into a potential bull pennant. Okay, so let's remember that. Out of an inverse left shoulder, right shoulder, and head. All right, head and shoulders. All right, this is a rising wedge. We tend to break down coming out of an inverted head and shoulders out of a rising wedge. So this is normal. Okay? So back testing previous support ranges. All right, this could be the low. Or we roll over. Not good. That's where we flash close 75%. That's where we flash close above our buy entry if we have to. Just come back and assess the charts if we see and realize we're wrong. Or we no longer short squeezing in a massive bull flag. Okay? Alright, could be a fallen wedge bull flag right here. Alright, after this whole move. So let's remember that. That could still invalidate this overall bear pennant we've been going over on the 1 minute time frame. What's the 1 minute time frame compared to the 7 minute? You know what I'm saying? Nothing. Not if the 7 overpowers the 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? And vice versa. Banger, banger, banger. Support of the 322 so far. Let's go for our back test. We could still come back test the heart line of the median of the Bollinger Band, but bulls stepping in. Are the bulls stepping in? Where my bulls at? $68.1. We could be going to $68.1. That's where I was seeing $68.2. Topside Bollinger Band 68.223. Topside Bollinger Band 68.223. I see a 68,223. Shout out to Skull and Bones. We ain't shouting out to them like in a good way. I'm just saying shout out to manifesting the price action and using synchronicity and the numbers. Up $27, 155%. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. It's getting scary. It's a falling wedge right here, 1 minute time frame. It's a bull flag right here, 1 minute time frame. Potential breakout to 68,400. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pump it. Can I get a $68,100 Bitcoin? 68,100. I got a 68,095, 68,099. Can I get one more? Can I get one more? I can't get another dollar, it looks like. I'm down, I'm down. 68,062, 58. Can I get a $68,100 Bitcoin? Let's go, let's go. $6 off. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. $10 off. Can I get 9 more? Can I get 9 more? Can I get one more dollar, one more dollar? Oh, I got it. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Retested the 223 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. I'm about to short squeeze to the upside. Let's go. Gave it to you live. Let's go. You're about to see it before it happens. Manifested into reality, pioneers. I'm working hard. I'm working hard. Alright. Potential falling wedge still. Potential bull flag still. So don't worry. Backtest of the 12 coming in is all we're seeing. Backtest of the 26 EMA could be in the cards with the 21. Everything's curling together right now. Bulls are stepping in. Still averaging up 50% right now, so not bad. Turning my $11 trading account that I started with into over $100 today multiple times, back up to $100 today. Could send more to spot right now and buy spot holdings right now. But we're going to continue to ride this trade out with you guys before we get off of here. 10:30 at night, I got to start wrapping things up. Get ready to head to work in a few hours. It's going to be a all-nighter before we head into TradeAholics and Fibonomics tomorrow night. It's going to be an over 24-hour a day heading into, well, it's roughly 48 because I've been up all day. So, yeah, I mean, it'll be 36 or so hours between now and when I lay down tomorrow. Then Wednesday I'm off, so I'll get to be out all day in Discord, potentially do another live or upload or course material video for you all. Yeah. So just watching this right here, potential double top coming in, potential M pattern forming right now. If the bulls can't step in, we're coming back down to test around 67,800, 67,700, 600, around this range right down here, and eat some of this fair value gap. What do we see? Okay, so very, very important. Very, very important. Absolute banger. Rising wedge forming. Another bearish pattern that could be bringing us down to show the measured move of the bear pennant coming in. Okay, so very important. Do the bulls step in and invalidate this? They've got to start pushing up. Got to start getting this RSI into overbought, overheld territory, and invalidating some of these bearish patterns, and continue to short squeeze to knock on the door of 69K. I was hoping we could have been there, but we're going to hang out for a few more minutes to see what happens. I'm going to look at the chat a few more times, maybe go over a few more cryptos, and then we're going to have to say our hellos and goodbyes. Because, well, I got to go, pioneers, until the pen writes again. So just letting you know that we'll be wrapping up soon. We're getting a ascending triangle type of vibe, another bull pennant type of vibe right now. Are we about to fake out the bulls, the bears again? The bulls are stepping in to get us back above the 223. We've got to get above it, get above this 200, get to the top side of this Bollinger Band at $68,258.01. Okay, all right, and but anyways, that's where we've got to go. We've got to start climbing the upside of this Bollinger Band to see continuation in this short squeeze. So let's check out the chat. Good. Everything is cool, awesome, perfect. Thank you all. So, looking over a few charts that I had pulled up, you guys, the fib circles, again, getting this price action the day we pump into, time-wise, hitting the overall long-term 2.618 from high to low of our last cycle from 69k to 15k is not surprising. So again, I mean, we can just absolutely see price rise into I don't think it's going to rise to 500k yet, but that's our next level up, you guys. 390 to 500k. And I mean, if we're going to see something never before seen, I'd expect something like these charts to be something you need to start looking at. Okay, not financial advice. Not saying my chart right here specifically is the one you need to look at, but fiddling with these ranges. Again, multiple interactions with levels of fibs, no matter if they're extension or circles or channels. You know, multiple irrefutable, undeniable evidence that these are very, very important charts. Pumping now into the 0.7 fib. If we go back to this April 15th of 2023 to the March low, okay, the June lows, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said March. We're now pumping into the 0.7 fib. Okay, so exceeding a 4.236, so getting very overheated. If we wanted to move this to the not C19, but to the Silicon Valley Bank collapse, then we can see we've already exceeded even a 0.10 fib basically. Okay, so very, very overheated in a over a year uptrend. So something I just wanted to continue to bring up to you all. Let's get this back to where we had it. But yes, just tremendous uptrend. The top soon to be in, I promise you that. Start getting rejection here, or we blow off top and then price discovery, and then it's anybody's guess what happens from here. Okay, so again, we were able to get you to 64k. Alright, we were able to get you there with our long-term analysis dating back to last year in videos, okay, dating back to December. Okay, now we've been able to today and throughout the Discord the last few days get you to here. Now we're getting the decision, rejection or breaking a new all-time highs and price discovery. So very, very important, pioneers. Alright, so something I want to bring up to you all is a lot of this is just reiterate some of these things. But yeah, this is what I've been looking at as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th wave we're getting now. That will eventually be the 1, 2. Okay, this will eventually be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. So these are your two sub counts within the larger one wave. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw that out. All right. So breaking a $200,000 one day. So this is something I've just been bringing up to a few private clients and things like that. But inside this 3-wave recently, going back to January and the start of the year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside of this 5-wave, we were already getting on the smaller time frames of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th wave. So we're showing the 5th with inside of a 5th with inside of a 5th with inside of a 5th wave, potentially for the Elliott wave pattern theory to the upside long-term view. I am starting to eventually see a ABC correction come in eventually. So yeah. So just very, very important to continue to pay attention to these things, pioneers. So, but all right, let's check out the chat. Yep, still doing good, still doing good. All right, let's look at the live trade then. Banger, 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 banger. Show me the bull stepping in. We're doing a bull pennant right now. Potential breakout to the upside. We'll give you the measured move live because we gave you your bear pennant to the downside. We could see the bears continue to step in. Or do they continue to get short squeezed out of the market? Again, I wish you could been there with us to get banned off of YouTube and watch that dumb money video where we were preparing you for the short squeeze at around, I don't know, $24,000 fucking dollars on 11/7, you know, and And here we are today. But hey, they didn't want us out here for 90 days. They just want everybody else out here asking you for their money for super chats. So yeah. So there's your measure move live. If you break out, the bears could be stepping in because we're still in this overall bear pennant that printed first. It's a larger pattern versus this. What happens? These EMAs will let us know. Price action will let us know. The Bollinger Band tightening up on the 1 minute time frame will let us know which way do we go. Let's go. Kick back into the bull pennant. We sold out. Fake out. V-shaped recovery to the upside. Let's go. Until we stop doing it. Until we stop doing that cup and handle to the upside. That V-shaped recovery to the upside. That short squeeze. I'm going to keep calling for it. Bollinger Bands are getting even tighter. Moment of silence. Moment of silence. Here we go. Uh-oh. Bears are stepping in. Bears are stepping in. We lose the 322 at 68,026 bucks. It's down. And there go your bulls to the upside V-shaped recovery. Let's go bull pennant breakout to the upside to the 200. We're going to get a back test to the top side of the trend line possibly, and then continue to move up to $68,614.80. How about them apples? TA live for y'all. If it was easy, Pioneers, anybody could do it. Okay? I tell y'all this all the time. If it was easy, anybody could come out and make 170% gains on 117x fucking leverage. You know what I'm saying? But not everybody can do this. Call banger, 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 banger after banger. But we call bangers because we've done this for 10 plus years. We've spent investing in our craft and skill. I've lost my everything in crypto 3 times. I've lost more trades than you can fucking count numbers. I've lost more money than you can fathom. I throw money away. I told y'all this in this video. So I've got over 10,000 hours invested in my craft and skill, working on 100,000 hours. If it was easy, anybody could do it. I lead by example. I'm here day in and day out, regardless if I drop a video or not. Regardless if my trade setup is right or not. I'm still out here working, putting in the work. Any one of you can do it. 10 years. For 10 years, I battled suicidal thoughts, Pioneers, and I'm still here today. That means I got 100% fucking survival rate. Why are you going to bet against me? You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, man, like, I was sentenced to prison. Upwards of 15 years sentence. I'm talking about 158 month sentence. Okay? If anybody can do it, you can do it. The viewer of this can do it. Not me. Not my Pioneers. You. And guess what? The student can become the teacher. This is Master Chief letting you know right now. John 117 right now on 117x leverage loan. Master Chief. My name is John. Go watch Halo. You don't know what I'm talking about. First game console I had was an Xbox Halo Edition. Let's go. Had a PlayStation First Edition too. Don't forget that. But I'm just saying, man. I became the architect, the alchemist. I'm manifesting my own reality. I'm carpe diem, seizing the day to become financially secure, calling bangers, and I get questioned. My TA gets questioned. My decoding gets questioned. Like, hey man, if I was perfect, bro, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing. I promise y'all that. I promise y'all that. I'd be somewhere where nobody could find me. But we gonna make mistakes, man. We gonna get things wrong. But one thing I know I'm gonna do is always give you my best, regardless of what somebody else thinks, because I'm never gonna let them measure my success with their ruler and stick. Can I get a hello up 195%, $35 again? Let's go. On our way to our measured move breakout. Well, just watch it. Gonna go retest possibly $69,000 before we get off of here. Just absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely fucking phenomenal. Hours in the live. Went live at 7:40. Why, Pioneers? Because I've been calling for a potential $74,000 Bitcoin. I'm manifesting it. So we went live today on 3/4, about 74K at 7:40. So remember that. Let's see what happens. Are we on our way? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 69,000. The retest of all-time high. What are we seeing? Up 187%. Murder, murder. We'll get back to the chat in a second. Let's watch the trade continue to bang. Let's watch Bitcoin price to see if it can continue to climb so we can continue to shine. So my pioneers can continue to shine their portfolios, melting faces. Altcoins about to go crazy if we can break all-time highs. Shit. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. You think Bitcoin's a rally? If we get a true altcoin season, what almost none of us have expected. I called for a mini altcoin season, but I ain't expect to get what we've been getting, you know? I'll admit that. Hey, I called that mini altcoin season into your stockings in December, and it started then. Okay? So, hey, you ain't seen shit if you think this is something. Let's remember that. Let's go. Let's go. Fell support of the Bollinger Band, so that's expected. You know what I'm saying? To be coming back, retesting the 200, the 21, the 12. We're getting bought right back up immediately. Okay, let's bring our RSI back up. Okay, it's going back to the median, the 50 range. Okay, so that's not uncommon. What we're going to do is back test the 200. What we're going to do is back test the previous breakout of our structure of a previous horizontal range of roughly, 68,100, 68,000. Okay, we lose 68K, we're going down, down. We lose the 322 EMA, we're going down, down. That's above 68K. Okay, so yeah, let's just continue to watch it. Let's go. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, Bulls. Hold support of the 12. Do we pump into a lower high here and come back down? Or is this it? Is this all we get? Do we short squeeze, not get the full measure back test because, people are expecting to get in, lower prices, etc. And I'm not talking about any everyday trader. I'm talking about whales. I'm talking about millionaires, institutions wanting as low as they can get. Institutional traders wanting as low as they can get, getting faked out right here. Who's going to use the 12 EMA? You know what I'm saying? Topside Bollinger Band, where we headed back. Retest this previous high, 68,400. 684. Up 191% of my trade. 34 bucks. Check out the chat real quick. Jacob B83 says, "What up, brother? What up, peace, God, peace, God." Just watching Bitcoin. You know, we've been on for roughly 3 hours. Got to get ready to go to work soon, so you know, gonna be a fucking 36, 48 hour day by the end of tomorrow. You know, TradeAholics and Fibonomics tomorrow night, Jacob. So hope to see you there. But yeah, bull pennant breakout recently taking us to 68,600 is what we're watching right now. We were in a bear pennant breakdown, and you know, we got an inverse head shoulders play that's got us, you know, making that measure and move. But what's scary, you guys, is pay attention. This could be scary to some of you. See what we're doing now? Look, left shoulder, head, right shoulder could be coming back in. Okay, so if we do lose the 322, don't get too scared and shaking out unless, you know, we start losing the bottom of this head. Okay, because then if we don't, right shoulder right here, bam, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Up 181%. That's a 40-second prime number. Satoshi Nakamoto gives you 181, the 40-second prime. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Pump it, pump it. Falling wedge. Let's go. Broadening wedge. Could be pumping. Who knows? Make it even larger. Broadening falling wedge. If we pump down and hold the top of the trend. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 68,279. 68,290. Can I get a $68,290 Bitcoin? 68,300. 68,300. I got the 285. Can I get 5 more? Can I get $5 more? $5 more. 68,285 going once. 68,285 going twice. 68,285 sold. Looks like we're going down. So, where are my bulls at? Inverted hammer forming right now on the 1 minute time frame. Bam, bam, bam. Give me a retest of the 200 like we were talking about. Give me a retest of the top side of the trend like we were talking about. Show me support banger to the upside. Let's go. Inverted hammer pushing us down, down, down. Bulls, bulls. Uh-oh. Are we doing the same thing right here that we did right here? It's quite possible. Look at the familiarity. So, no doubt, no doubt. I know a lot of you pioneers may ask, like, Coach, did you do it all alone by yourself? Like, pioneers, I train people all around the world. I trained 99% of my life alone, though. Okay? Nobody patted me on the back. Nobody tied my shoes for me. Sent me to work on time or nothing. Like, I did it all alone. Long days, early mornings, all-nighters. You know, non-player characters are gonna have opinions of leaders. Okay? So, you know, I brought the spice, I brought the heat, but it's come from a man. It's come from a challenge. Like I felt like I was challenged to be my best self, my greatest version. At the same time, I felt disrespected, pioneers. Because again, I don't do this for me. The money I make off my website, the super chats I get. Again, I've only got one Cash App super chat. All that stays invested for my son. I will never fucking touch it. You don't believe me? We can pull up my website, PayPal, right now. The hundreds of dollars still invested in it is staying. It'll get moved to a savings account one day. A trust. Maybe a Roth IRA or something for my son. But again, I do this all for someone else, never myself. So I felt disrespected when I was told my TA it seemed scammy. It's how I felt that was being portrayed from multiple people around the world. Discords, etc., communities here and there. Someone reached out to me that I value as a mentor and coach in my life, saying they felt this way. And not that it was scammy. They used another word. I won't mention that. But that challenged me. That didn't disrespect me. The people that, well, were being tribalistic did. You know what I'm saying? That challenged me to be my better self. So I'm coming from a very dualistic nature right now today. Out here trying to, just continue to hone in on my craft and skills. So I do want to thank you all for being with me. But I didn't do this alone, pioneers. I did it with valuable people around the world teaching me, guiding me, being with me, watching me fail. And some of you may not want to go through that battle, of accepting your ego, of being wrong, of taking corrective criticism so you can become your greatest self. And be grateful that your legs are working today, that your mind is seeing, just telling you what's going on. I mean, you're either going to be a pioneer or you're going to be a non-fucking player character, is all I'm saying. And I'm never going to be a follower, I'm going to be a leader. Okay? Amongst other leaders, not followers behind me. I'm going to be amongst other leaders, sitting at the same round table, okay? Real passion, purpose, dedication, determination. Nobody's going to feed us at that round table. We got to feed our fucking self. Alright? So the feeling I get inside of me when I speak stern and affirmative. I can't expect anybody to understand it, to understand where I'm coming from, to understand what it is I've been going through in life, to understand the attack on me now that I'm becoming, my greatest version. That shadow side coming out from all angles. I can't expect people to understand that. What I do expect, though, is for somebody to respect my hustle, respect my grind, respect that I make a fucking living doing this and take care of my kids and family doing this. Okay? Respect that I put dedication, determination, heart in this. Blood, sweat, and tears in this. I lose money in this real trading account, not no fake trading demo account right here. That's real money on the line. These real profits you're seeing me share. These real trade setups you saw me develop. So I do expect that to be respected. And if it ain't, that's good too. But I promise you, I'm going to continue to give my respect. Because that's what's going to continue to allow me to be a better leader, because success is going to start with me. At least for me. See, it's all on me. If I want to be strong, I got to learn to fight. Even if I'm alone. In that dark room, that gold room, that word room. So yeah, maybe I've been tired. I'm tired right now, pioneers. My mind's saying give up, but I ain't gonna quit. I'm up 32 bucks. I'm up 178%. I ain't reached my goal yet. So day in and day out, I'm either gonna get stopped out, forced out, stomped out, or I'm gonna win. If I get pushed down, get knocked out, so what? I'm gonna continue to rise up. I'm gonna continue to climb so I can grind and shine. So maybe people don't believe in me, but I believe in me. Can I get a hello? I'm gonna celebrate as if I've already done it, already won it, already succeeded. By myself, no applause, no reward, nobody believing in me, because they shouldn't. I'm not begging for that shit. I don't beg for likes and shares. I don't beg for fucking subscriptions and fucking money from you. Super chats for your fucking favorite cryptos. We'll do that shit for free. Fuck you talking about? I can work a 40, 50 hour job. I ain't afraid to fucking work. If I have to do it alone, I will. I can, I am, and I will. I told you, pioneers. We started alone, we gonna die alone. But guess what? We got started. Most people, they can't even start. They want to sit on the couch stagnant, complacent, working for somebody else every day like they fucking life is it's all like they got it all figured out. Please, somebody tell me you got life figured out. Please, somebody show me you got life all figured out. And I'll fucking bow down. I'll fucking never. The war can wait. The playing field can wait. The court can wait. These charts can wait. Everything can wait. What you can start on is working on that mindset, that mentality of becoming a pioneer, a true leader. Because you were called here on this earth to become your highest self, your greatest fucking version. Become that God, that goddess that is within. Genesis 1:26, the Christos, the Christ within. What influences your stimuli? I don't need coffee. This influences me. My pioneers influence me. My family influences me. Gives me adrenaline. I don't need stimuli to get my day started. I just got to get up and get started. I already got started years ago. And we ain't even got started here on the Daily Candle Close News yet. I promise you that. We still ain't even moved a finger. I promise you that. See, I stopped letting myself get distracted. Bam, bam, bam. About to do another break of market structure. Good God, I opened my eyes. I was over here ranting. I was over here motivating. Break of market structure. Topside Bollinger Band. Let's go. 68,300. We got it. We caught it. We got there. Break of market structure coming. Short squeeze to the upside. 68,500. What have I been placed on this earth to do? To coach, to motivate others. All of a sudden, when I wake up and the world is asleep, sleeping on me, questioning me, I get a different perspective. I hit my agenda. I hit my targets, my aim. Boy, they are diamond. They are golden today. Yeah, we going ham. New yearly high, right fucking there. Let's go. Right now. We just called it. Let's get it. All of us got this power, this destiny in us. Another level within us. Life is lived on levels. I told you, they hate when we fucking elevate, pioneers. And I'm here to fucking elevate. I'm here to take action. Any of y'all gonna take action today, right now, today, outside of your paradigm, to become your highest self, your greatest version? Carpe diem, break a market structure. Let's go! Shake it up. Shake up the game. I'm here to change it. I ain't here to play it. Get up right now today. Stand up. Head held high. That chest poked out. Ready to fight. Let's go. Let's go. They don't want to see my 1, 2, 3, 4 combo. They don't want to see that right hook. They don't want to see that leg arm triangle. I'm telling y'all now. I think it's a game. It's our time right now today, pioneers, to get back to ourselves, to learn, to become our highest self, to dedicate time each and every day, 10, 20, 30 minutes to building your craft and skill, learning the charts. If I can do it, you can do it. I came from nothing, from the mud, to being where I am today, and I ain't even got started yet. And I'm doing it even when I don't feel like doing it, because I used to not feel like doing it. So I know more trolls are gonna come. More tribalistic nature is gonna come my way. More people ain't gonna understand because I'm misunderstood, undervalued. But I'm unleashing greatness within me, being my best self, and I understand that these things are due to come at me, Agent fucking Smiths. That want to dictate what you say, how you say it, when you say it. Like they own shit. Like they own any fucking thing in this world. Like you might be a part of something. You might have founded or started something, but you ain't own shit. I welcome it all. I promise you that. Let's go. Inverse head and shoulders playing out. I'm trying to do something nobody else is doing. Let's go. Right now, showing you why we could be pumping into 69K. Heading into the 96th day of the year, on the 64th day of the year, while we're getting this price action. It's in the D code over 3 hours ago. You'll have to go back and watch it. Because I want peak performance. I want to scale. I want to elevate. And if I'm going to do something to create something, a lineage for my bloodline, something I can pass down generationally, oh boy, I got to be out here to prove I know what it is I'm doing. To know what it is I'm talking about. To be doing something that's never been done. To get up when I don't feel like it. To come out here when I don't feel like it. Because I want to be watching a movie with my son that's still asleep. Before I got to go into work tomorrow. You know? I'm still out here doing it. Up $111 in my trading account. That's a full $100 100x return. I started with $11 today in this trading account. Banger, 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 banger. I'm eliminating the status quo. I'm creating a new one. I promise you that. I promise you that. Top side of the Bollinger Band, finally holding the measured move of our falling wedge breakout we gave you as a horizontal range. Need to hold support here, 68,446, 460 I mean. We can see that finally measured move of the bull pennant that I was sharing with you on the 1 minute time frame back here. Bam, 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 68,600. Like, I mean, anybody that got in on this zero risk trade from the breakout, I mean, fucking good God. I mean, you're already up. You're already up 0.5%. So on a 117x leverage trade, on a 200x leverage trade, on a 50x leverage trade, you know, do the math. Okay? So I'm just saying. I'm not suggesting leverage trade. I'd rather people spot trade. Learn to spot trade. Dollar cost average, accumulate. De-risk over time. Sit and fucking forget. Don't date, don't hate, just trade these fucking cryptos, man. Alright? Multiple ways to attack these markets. And try and teach them all. Okay? Still looking for them options and puts callers to join the TradeAholics and Fibonomics and join us on Tuesday and Fridays. Okay? So other types of traders that want to come in and enjoy the community we're building here, the tribe that we're vibing with. Okay? For most people, 3 a.m. is possible. 5-hour live streams is possible. Why? Because they're ready to become a tradeaholic. Okay? They're ready to stay up from 7:30 p.m. after being up 24 hours till 3 a.m. because they know they're about to get up a chance to make, I don't know, upwards of 2,000% gains like Patoy and Skeets. Okay? You know, like Roy Moore making 30 grand in October. Modern Sword making 7 grand off a stronghold just this last month. I mean, these are my pioneer stories. Okay? Ain't mine. I know there are seasons and timetables and things that we all want to go off of, and I gotta pay attention to my routine and nonsense, man. Start making a change right now today, doing something different. Start doing something that maybe requires you to lose a little bit of sleep sometimes. I mean, so you can become your better version. I mean, you got 24 hours in a day. What are you going to fucking do with them? I mean, it's how you use your 24 hours, pioneers. I ain't saying run yourself ragged. I ain't saying do like Coach A. Go 24, 48, 72 hours straight up so he can be there for his pioneers. So he can take care of the things needed in his life. The only one to do it, a single parent. You know what I'm saying? I make sacrifices daily for others. I promise you that. They ain't for myself. I'm lazy when it comes to myself. What y'all talking about? No, I'm just playing. Ain't nothing lazy about me. Alright. Pull back to the 21 EMA after this breakout. Nice support range here. We might be coming down to the 200, the 322 again. But we're still in that uptrend right now. So still showing higher highs being formed. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So right now we're still in a lower high from this right here. So is this the massive like move that I should have been shorting to get back down here to 67K? Only time will tell. Okay? But yeah. You know, we're just going to continue to watch it. So up 187% still, 33 bucks. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Do we get a reversal here, a bounce? Should, you know, at 0.5, 50% RSI, we can, or we can just drain down to the 200 and get a bounce from there, which is what we're going to do. Possibly double bottom right here. possibly double bottom right here, and then back up, or we're gonna start draining. One of the two. 69 is a massive sell wall, so we might not get the full bullish moves to the upside now, just like we haven't previously been getting the full bearish moves to the downside. Okay, so there's something hindering us from moving forward right now. All right. $17,000. Modern Sword made 17,000. I'm sorry. Correction. Don't let me short the man his 10 fucking grand, you guys. I mean, it's only 10 grand. Nah, man. Conservative 72 to 76 to 86 cents. We're looking at $1.09 to $1.34 for XRP, Jacob V83. We can talk if we start seeing some of these hit, but that's in this video. You'll see it. It's a great decode. I shared an amazing chart in the TA and chart section of the Discord on XRP as well, that I pulled a fib circle on, shared with the fucking world because nobody else is gonna do it. What we could potentially see over time right here. So, you know, we're looking at upwards of a $700 XRP, upwards of a, you know, $14 XRP by 2025. Okay, so very, very important. I mean, this is trading in time, ripples in time though, so you'll see it all in the decode and the chart. Did a little decode on XRP today, did a little TA on XRP today, but oh man, somebody let me know if we're still live. Damn, I just hit the back button on YouTube. Let me know if we're still live. Hopefully it didn't end the stream right there. But yeah, just want to make sure. So, but yeah, still appear to be live. We'll see what happens. But if not, I was about to get off anyway. Possible pullback coming to the 21 on Bitcoin, 65,800. Possible 66,700, 66,600 for the 13 EMA on a 2-hour time frame. Daily is where shit starts to really get scary. Pull back to the 21 EMA at 57K from where we previous broke out from. Okay, left shoulder, head, right shoulder over time. Who knows? Something. All right, but everything was broken down, upside, downside targets for you all in this video. Okay, so remember that. Alright, pioneers, but I am about to sign off of here and get ready to call it a day for trading and a day for, you know, being with you all, and get ready to be with my son and take care of him, get him ready for when I have to go to work tomorrow, so he's taken care of. Maybe watch a video or something with him. You know, when I do a video, I like to then do one with my son, watch one with him, watch a TV show or something. So I gave time to y'all, about to give time to my son before, when he wakes up, before I gotta go to work. So, but yeah, I just want to send my love out to you all. I appreciate you for being out here and spending your time, your prana, your energy, your macabre with me today. You know, resetting the RSI. This could be the right shoulder I was talking about. Okay, so don't trip out right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay, V-shaped recovery into 69K. This measured move, let's draw it out for you guys. All right, since we're getting it. All right, so it's gonna be a massive head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Alright, so if we want to draw our trend line, we'll be a little conservative, bring it back to the neckline. We're looking at 69,400. 479, 69,400 to be conservative, 69,250 to be super conservative. Okay, but 69K inverse head and shoulders. Right shoulder could be getting balled up with the reset of the RSI right here. Okay, V-shaped recovery. Out of an inverse head and shoulders, you do tend to form a rising wedge. So we can expect somewhere in this range, a rising wedge will start to have been formed. Okay, that could get a breakdown back into a higher low, or 322, 200 EMA, and then we go back to the upside. Okay, so let's pay attention to this. That's your potential play coming up. Okay, so I can even give you plays in the future possibly. Okay, if we get the reversal like we're starting to see and the reset of the RSI, this could get pretty ugly though. Okay, it can come down here even lower, but perfect support right now is what we're holding of this low right here. I do expect to eat up some of this. Okay, so we can kind of wick down here or get a closed body right here and then reversal. So let's remember that. So possibly inverse head and shoulders playing out on Bitcoin right now. We're going to give this trade setup away in the Discord. Okay, so I mean, do you just want to win, Pioneers, or are you going to be absolutely fucking committed like Coach A? Okay, out here pattern drawing day in and day out, winning, losing, taking the profits when they come, accumulating when I get a chance. You know, I'm gonna win. It's no longer a win, it's a fucking must. And then it's just, how am I gonna do it? You know, it's no longer a how or a why, it's a fucking must. Okay, all right, I'm told what to do. All right, not I tell myself what to do. I sacrifice so I can do what I gotta do. Okay, I'm committed to making those sacrifices so I can do what I gotta do, so I can win. Okay, so I can become financially secure, so I can set future up for my son. Alright, so trade setup, going out to the community. What's understood ain't even meant to be explained. Inverse head and shoulders, potential breakout, 69K. You got a potential rising wedge that could be formed, down, and then up. Okay? Actually, let's mark it. Let's mark it for him just in case. You know what I'm saying? Today I've just been silent. Saved my emotion for this video. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You know, I might not be right. I'm not always right. I make mistakes. But if I'm gonna hit my goals, if I'm gonna punch through my targets and that ceiling, well, then I gotta see differently. Okay, Pioneers? I gotta think differently. I gotta connect differently. You know? Try to communicate with you all differently. Share trade setups differently. Decode differently. One day I just decided I'm gonna raise my fucking standards. I'm gonna make shit fucking personal. You know? Y'all don't wanna see me crank up. I still got levels I can go. There's that dip I told you we could be getting. Let's see if this rises up out of a rising, out of a, you know, right shoulder, I mean, into a rising wedge. But yeah, we'll leave that with you right there, you guys. Shout out to the chat, man. Modern Sword, Jacob B83, man. Shout out to Yahuda L, man. Peace, God. Judo Jack, man. We got Spirit of Simeon. The Bird Dog Crypto Ronin was in the house. Callus. I'm sorry for pronouncing your name wrong. Probably slaughtering that. Not doing it on purpose. I never would have meant to offend anybody on purpose. Never in my life. Now I do give people gut checks, and I mean truth hurts. So Bentley, my son, shout out to you, love you, son. Kane. Oh, Kane, I didn't see your comment there. I saw bang bang, but I didn't see man gonna correct. But it will be brief. I don't know if you're talking about Mang, another crypto, or if you just meant to say man. This is gonna correct, but it will be brief because we did see it as a brief correction already, and then short squeeze while we were on here. So yeah, shout out to any other viewer that came on. You know, everybody we gave shout outs to, like Waters Above, anybody else, Modern, Roy Moore, anybody, the future announcement and gentleman we plan to bring to the channel, something nobody else in crypto has got. Shout out to him as well. Hope he's doing well today. Anybody that wasn't here, Skeets, Patoy, we saw you live, Patoy, in the Discord. Never mind. Skeets, Roy Moore, anybody in the Discord that I'm missing, man, much love and high vibrations. But we are signing off of here as we get ready to watch Bitcoin potentially come out of our right shoulder and into a potentially 69K. So you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You found it informational and informative. You found it motivational and educational. And you give us a shout out at the Daily Candle Close News on YouTube sometime. And go check out some of our uploaded videos. Almost all of our 300 uploaded videos are on there. We were banned recently for a 90-day time period. And all those videos are on Rumble at Honest Abe. Capital H, capital AB3. Okay, got over 300 videos on Rumble. You can follow us at Daily Candle Close News on Facebook, as well as Daily Candle Close News at JohnJShook18 at gmail.com. John Master Chief 117. Let's go. But you can also follow us at dailycandleclosenews.com. Join the Pioneer Academy for a $2.23 access, lifetime access, not 1 hour, lifetime access. I know it books like 1 hour, okay? You can read our Game of Nations ebook where sports are showing you the start of World War III. You can take our brief religious course where it shows you the truth that they hide from you, that you are the Christos, the Christ within. Genesis 1:26-27 tells you this. Even the Greek word Christos, meaning Christ within, shows you this. Luke 17:21 says the kingdom of God is within you. I'll behave. But hey, rapid one-on-one with Coach Aben for TA, decode, and manifestation, motivation, anything you need. Let's go. Join the TradeAholics and Fibonomics TANF monthly group course and class that we are developing here like nothing else in crypto. If I get 1,000 members, I'm giving away 1,000 XRP. I'm giving away $2,230. And when I keep 1,000 members in this course for a year, Pioneers, I'm remember giving away $20,000. Mini retirement portfolios I'm giving away. Nobody else is going to do this for roughly pennies, $1 a day or less than $1 a day if you buy the yearly package, Pioneers. Okay, so remember this. I'm supposed to fucking be here doing what I'm doing, giving this shit away, doing your crypto trade TA setups for fucking free, asking for not a single Snapchat, super chat, whatever. Okay, become a site divergent supporter and glitch. Okay, so remember that, Pioneers, so you can read our blog by doing that. Alright, that's how you access our killer blog, where we've had 10 weeks straight of market analysis calls. Okay, where we've went 16-6 overall in sports betting decodes since we started the beginning of the year. Okay, so remember that it's not just TA, it's all kinds of blogs we write about. Alright, so I'll get some March Madness blogs, some NBA coming up for the NBA Finals soon. I just cannot continue to spend a lot of my time for that, especially when a lot of people, you know, bring the tribalistic nature to it when you're wrong, or, you know, want to support the site but then cancel after, you know, you get an incorrect pick or something. It's, you know, if I can ever, you know, really move away from my work, my life, my job, and make this my workforce, then you know, I'm gonna have to have that continued support, you guys. So, but with all that being said, you guys, we're signing out of here. But remember, Pioneers, what you go through, you will grow through. What you tune into, you will turn into. They thought, Pioneers, back in 2020, they thought in other times of the world where we saw chaos, and we may see chaos coming up soon. I'm preparing you for it, not like I'm fucking begging to see it or anything, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to see nothing that we could potentially see, but if we do see it, there could be chaos, and well, that's where they're gonna try to bury you, Pioneers. And well, they're just forgetting that you're a seed, that you're gonna bloom, you're gonna blossom as we head into the cherry blossom season coming up in March. While we're seeing these markets rally heading into March, has got a lot to do with the start of the spring, the start of the cherry blossom season, and the markets are blossoming, and I teach my pioneers this. So I'm signing out, pioneers. Enjoy, much love, take care. Pioneers rise, build your fortress, build your legacy. Let's go! Daniel just joined. Let's go! Well, shout out, Daniel. Much love. We're signing off, but I hope you catch the replay. It's an absolute banger. 3 hours and 43 minutes in. That is 7 times 7 times 7, the jackpot number, and we're ending it there. Much love.